Emilia Tamakom before. Radin Kayaho. That was Ben Nasu Yamede Waye. And that's what Yamede Waye. Did you hear the boy Bono? I came here, I'm an uncle for some catchers. Did you or be anywhere we are? Any would you who ye be we are any. If you did hear what the boy Bono said, I didn't do me a DDA, the intimate from Bobra. Attention, immediate union. The radiate and now no pain so we used to do. Amen.
Amen, Mrs. Minta. Good morning. Well, too bad. 0593406565 0534050199 Chief was able to appear that pay so what the Yankopon se papa. Good morning.
Morning, Black Oba, good morning.
Papa Chef Rossi.
From getting because I've been to my committee one.
Mammy, you want to pay.
Black Oba, the radius see. A future have been a building my and open a Vienna. Black Oba, the was say, Radin Mount, what in ye. Amen. Ye two precious fine Mark Assamba Shea Radin Man and Quania on the Abrina bring only a castle to your food. Black Oba, down quasi, we will bushia. The radius. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's Papa 0593406565 0534050199. Good morning.
Morning, Black Oba.
Patrick Frosty.
Patrick from Equia Mabuatia.
You, Babin, you want to pay.
But I'm that Midamina Radias, Mamma, Miancasa. My mammy knew what I said. The Radias, Mao. The from Mamma come the Radias. The Radias, Mamma moon station only now. The Radias, Mamma. Thank you. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's a papa. So, what to me, Eddie message, Eddie about. Where's a black now? I thank God for a brand new day to my to experience another greatness of the Lord. I thank God for the life of my wife and my children, my family workers of Ferro Fabrics, your crew, and on my Ghana. Elvis, the youth president, Eddie Free Ferro Fabrics, Tema, and whatever Edda pay intino. Pay Yeden Yankopas when it does swap. So, good morning.
Morning, welcome, Martin.
Patch me just here for saying.
Medical name Stephen, pretty mafia captain.
We patch my mint you want to pay.
Oh, Papa. You don't know the essay. So would be also natural. Like, oh, maybe India, and come again to you. If you know, the Bia, the body was upon a 3 or 4. I should bring up because it's a parity from someone in the coffee bonnet. It's Papa, yes, ready. Say, Obama consenting, not the dear Muslim, and young one, and the 3 or 4. That's one. You be also. Someone is extra also. Let's say, ma or mango. Can DLFM? It's your phone, anyway, it's my phone, Papa.
Nyankopon enka also wanna pay. Right, so yemfa final caller na fa no pay. Yemfa seda no, yemfa NC. Good morning.
Hitman.
What's the anapay wapo to say?
Pacho Nyankopon dum pacho also we dey.
Nyamia do me hu yema minti wanna pay.
The Nyankopon Hitman me kasa fro do Jansen. Me da se dem utu go Nyankopon. Awon mo bro hine, therefore hine. Bambo hine. Nyankopon ni tumi so cha obo nsamo. Say Nyankopon no ene dey asida na yi ne kabia e ma no. So agi e free musu kwahia kwatu yare o hawo amane e so rebi ala mu. Me de nyame ase e de man bra kwa na onkwa. Me de nyame ase e de man zigidi enkwa. E me de nyame ase e de man inshiraba kwayo nenkwa. Oyi na de order. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's it. Ebusuya yentumi emfa course ni bi ma ha ana ene ya wada no pe ye de aseda ye de besi twedi ampo Nyankopon wontie na aseda na fe wonya yakoma so ade nyina emfa mayen de beye musuo ne esan won pam mfa mayen akode biara wo sefo wo bonefo no be hyehyɛ e de afa ye ho no twedi ampo Nyankopon empam mfa mayen wo bibia na pe wo tie dwumadi a wo yare ana pe twedi ampo awurade nankasa won saw yare adominanti. Amen. 42 minutes after 6 a.m. here. This is DL 106.9.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ. Yeah. Hallelujah. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. And every tongue which rises against you in judgment, you shall condemn. This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord, and their goodness is from me, saith the Lord. Amen. Akuni biara, obebo etiamira. Every year, the cheme biara, ebe sorry etiamino. Akuni biara, obebo etiawuno. Every year, the cheme biara, ebo etiawuno.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Every year, next time I be a rebel, sorry, I'm a temuno, obebunu, boy. Ayini yami kwe japadie, anyone train ye piazza ferrati. Wesie mi yonya meba, mi ajibwa yesu nidia eti mini buwaradai. Ayini yami kwe japadie.
And it's time for sports. All the latest around the world of sports. I'm going to go Pramason Cell. No man would the end on the Diana paying something in our crowd of canker to see. Lumba and supernatural mineral water always proud to be associated with the sports segment on the biggest break for sure. 45 minutes after 6 a.m. here. 15 more minutes to hit up all the hour 7. And your man, my man, is seated this morning. This Makadu said, what can I say? He's in black. I don't know why. Incidentally, I'm also in black. And now World Cup, I can see a crosswalk. England. The 3 Lions of England. And the Lions no papa. Hey! And I thought, sir, it's coming home. Saka, America. To me, Uncle Fie. Kaba. Yeah. Asamneha. Some of us, we thought, sir, it's coming home. But to me, Uncle England. And as we speak now, you know, say a couple of Sarisa now say a Madrid and now Barcelona. Hey, Best McMarchin.
Is that one? Good morning.
Bibi Aboko there.
Yes, you are doing.
Now, and now you frame is odd time, no. Now, person just saying.
Say, game no cause we can't frame. And I can't say me should be number 2. Nyabu tre. Assemble nyabu tre.
Enti me fra no. Tia what nesi. So why do you call me back?
Me check up on you. Me
check time no. I know say you do check up on me sometimes.
Yes.
But time now oh check odd time. What you say? You called around 11, around 10:30. Be on oh check up on me say.
Yes. Say Bibi Aboko there. So frame me check up. And me check up there. Bibi say what did he? We okay.
No matter.
And no probably me abojuma.
Mada.
And no me person busa.
And I'm not paying waha. I'm fit as Fidel.
Yes, no.
Oh.
Now, offer entourage the secretary no. Miss Rita. I say no tie pa. Now see England and Kofa na so ma winia. We di peche. Nti we dey. Mpanifo si baby a chichira aboa no. E ho na yesa no.
So catch me. Restaurant ben and pay pesoko.
Bibi say na me pay no.
So tell me.
Wede me kwachiri. Hayaki we ya huna no ya.
Ntu pesoko Hayaki restaurant.
Omo jollof na no pay ya.
Okay, so I'll place order for you.
Yes.
Unko na me fo bi nka ho.
Okocha medi. Okocha ntimi no okocha.
Okay, no problem. No problem. So I no pay your breakfast. And no, and nankasa your breakfast, your lunch and your supper. Ni nyina da me so. Why?
Sir,
o shaba wodim. We are some no shaba o so odi so.
Pa.
Into no. I thought say you say something bigger than food. But aduane na opedia and opay I'll do it for you.
Oh, me pay bibia say aduane.
Aduane na.
Dear ekomo hwane me.
No kre. Yes painting bi akran so da.
Yes.
Into no mo say Hayaki na pa. Woni okucha na pay. Mo breakfast oh dear just remember said that so why
ana
dia baby no entumi
na say waje Argentina team na di waje omadi
I still don't support them
but they be me can support oji omudi
minji omundi
aponche ba akupe aku Lions mensa
aponche bay oh twa aponche bay
Messi oni bobo
Messi why
Messi
anti Messi
Davi anti Messi say anti Messi do tongo be we la no Messi
the tongo be wa chire hay
enyo no
na Messi be na aka no wasem
Argentina Messi no
Lionel Messi
yes ono se don pe kura nze obobo na player bia se o shi na bufuo o Jude Bellingham German abo Madrid oniman ko bisa Madrid pioneers se juro mosini we pepe mu wo bo Madrid 3 seasons only Messi bobo o ko shi na bufuo and Messi they say the side debate good in there Obia hu bi ba bia dun there ni kwa say ye twin da adre kwa chira na sisi
so the greatest of all time
yes
when it comes to world football
ba bia dun there and assistance Ballon d'Or no olidi when buy no Ballon d'Or no olidi and Lamine Yamal to sumi so between Lamine Yamal and Messi Spain Argentina do beji bia Ballon d'Or a chire din
you be see ne be see
a chire din and ba bia be fa bia Barca fans be Kofi mamu yo okay se Spain ja fine Argentina ja fine then you hwa na abam no and catch us England nye team obesha Argentina England omutimi sha Argentina Ghana na ne ye ehu Carlos Queiroz ko to akwa kan to atwumi o
but this World Cup we I share lots of lessons lesson na I share say what do you can call to na undi bem
yes
asas what chair said delayance is not denial
yeah
you share England they can share you know they thought say it's over no mu 2 game na JJ mu defend basa
Lebi o adede Yesu otimi wa onka wa no
o rough obeti
we dey o mo fufu form ko ho
omo say ti asa Argentina team no on sem bi ampanifo ka bia ya no kuro won edin ni mo wo panin ni mo
yeah
woni ni nya ntokwa on tumi wa no asunsu awon tumam ti sese ni mo we ntumi wa etete ontuma ti enra Argentina ni mo sunsu England ntuma basa kra
etwe no matiti no
matiti no
yeah
obi be say beyond repairs ya pam kra nye ya de ko ya de ye kra nye ye samaba England
ye tumi hu ni ya de tu on wa patch kra nka be yode
enye o patch kra mpache
ben nka ofa o England team na nkomi wini
ofa sem me pese me kadi ofa sem me pese
ofa pa na na say England player bit is offer
ana make us offer the management team no I'm so disappointed in them and I chief for sebo apia wotia wontie ne yepa make us we e dia chief for sebo apia I'm disappointed in them chief for sebo apia Heritage Kwamo watching the one my disappointed in her no me pese me kan ho asem and you keep saying say dey the press statement beba and your statement and your press conference and your press one press wari ni nyina wo kan so muntumi nya hwe as we speak now mo player in the caliber of offer
yes
mama na mama Black Stars offer so wa konya sen ko betumi aba ma England mama offer mbo na ndra England for lusu poto
Enti omu press release them still na date ni man.
Henry Tekwama what? They be all two for Togu yani, and I will do a statement, and I will do this, will do that. Adoso, Henrita, Adoso. Tell her to set up. Because on tonight.
Omu mujidi na say ya.
Me ni omu mujidi chief for Sebo apia titru. Me ni mujidi ba ku say okroma.
Abutre.
Oni Henry Tekwama what?
As they say oba chedwa ya. No ye nhu yi. Enti dom ya no mo hihye bia.
Wa ba chedwa se si anu na nsuo nasa. Na nsuo nasa. Die ko bufu from farmer no. They should give us a break. Hey, Henry Tekwama Abuatin. Chief for Sebo apia doorbell.
Hey, over company
when you cry no cry silver lady so. Na dey be I do a statement, you be statement, you be we adoso, kasa na doso.
Omu show working.
Munche say mu ye adwuma na kasa sa.
Omu kikamu. Offer good player, I say omu kikamu.
Offer matching.
Mon spring off. Now fe mon samra back. As they say they medin kunim. Bon no kra ma head it. Ma show go, mun ka go.
Bensma Gadusa na pe ubre ni Enquires.
Right, ebusia na pe memo ati memo akwa ba kwan so nkoso criminal deal. 106 on na mega suamra so agudi mu nsem papa na de sumu djumadi kesi esuwe no e ade e kan send da so mo bia djumadi asujo te godfather me side man ka so free chichi ne benche enso be fa djumadi ni chia medie enso ase ni metri so afa du so Bensma Gadusa man bi se me nsuma so agudi mu nsem papa no ya de sumu na nsan so atimi ato djumadi so na pa no asira PS enkoma Lumba supermadika ka Abrono brand we are trying say the na say Lumba super enso na timi kwa ma fa djumadi nyina o kanene wo mo so timi so asime ade agudi emi nsam no enso asuma no pa masime nkancho nsanso enka Lumba super ni abomade na ma sanka Lumba super ni bi esense na afam fide ma me no kasa ya so ne so kraje fde enso no enso timi o mo stamp pasia asisu ne ya jatumba bia fa bia no Lumba super na wo na se titiri ne benche enso timi didi o mo djuma no pa bomade na ma sanka Lumba super ni bi o ma dama flying number dia 106 na ko phone cross so latest exclusive nya no ya de bana fansa so to badwumade enso Mike so coacha ya de kan se producer and dito no ana se watime akuche nsem we enso gu nkrata so Bensma Gadusa man bi se me mesa na sanso entojumade enso no pay shasia na se ya shasia World Cup nim se no me pacho second semi final game no enso tojo after no se during the time o my friends Argentina enso so my friends England come you no mutimu bako unim se England e kwato twa de kan abrantia your friends Anthony Gordon enya first goal on the 55th minute enso de my friends England when I say Argentina my boys in the Munso Medebai and also my brand friends Enzo Fernandez on the 85th minute anonya equalizer no enso de Argentina na feporo 90 plus 2 Brantia your friends Lautaro Martinez also the winning goal no enso so my man friends Argentina no pano yere san command to jana me no kasa dia say final no I said 2027 FIFA World Cup me part of final ni say when Spain enso ni Argentina and be 19 bueno enso July 2026 and say Sunday at the time at 7 p.m. at the live comment no enso to January say no so nkuma kafio ba din koma no dodo no so so modwumade suna bibia enso time kokana after the game and Harry Edward Kane ono captain fantastic enso the mother three lions of England also at nkuma katu was in Argentina team na and o mushia no so me better say masa Argentina team no enye beches ade kan sepo no Baira Abruwajo Harry Edward Kane nkuma onusu edieni after the game.
Everyone's gutted. I'm gutted for all the boys, all the staff, everyone behind the scenes, because we know how much everyone puts into being a successful national team. And when you're so close, when you're 10 plus minutes away and it slips out your hands like that, obviously the lads are devastated. For now, we just have to take it on the chin. There's nothing we can do. We congratulate Argentina, and we go away and try and improve. A similar story to what's happened in previous tournaments. I feel like we struggled to keep the momentum of the game. We've done so well for that kind of 60 minutes. We scored. We deserved to be ahead. And then for one reason or another, we struggled to keep the ball. We struggled to put pressure on the ball, and it just allowed them to create more momentum. It created more attacks for them in our final third. And then it's a normal mindset to try and hang on to the 1 goal lead. But we're still 20 minutes plus stoppage time to go. It was always going to be a long time. So we're going to have to watch the game back and find out exactly how we can improve in those situations. But it's been probably the missing piece now for the last 4 or 5 tournaments.
Eti way Harry Edward K, Captain Fantastic, and so the mother 3 Lions of England in coma. One on Sweden after saying Trade and Upa some PK Manusu told you this Commano, and so to Jana Thomas Tusha, a manager, and so the England national team on also didn't come on. Was one who a very happy pie choir. One was sweating me about some PK and Rama said, I can't happen and Trade, and so by Thomas Tuchel after the game in Communi.
Well, I think it was a very close match. I was happy the way we played it. Very close match, like I said, and we had the moment and took it to our advantage, went 1-0 up. I think that's what happens in these kind of matches that are totally even. I think at that point of the match that it was also deserved, not undeserved, that we take our moment and go 1-0 up. Unfortunately and strangely enough, it marked then a complete momentum switch in the game. Argentina played with more risk, played with more rhythm, played with a feeling maybe that they have nothing to lose anymore, which freed them up and hold us back, because we obviously played suddenly with a feeling that we have a lot to lose. So we dropped immediately back into a deep block, which is also not a problem, but we could not. We struggled to stay active in that deep block, and we struggled to defend crosses in the deep block, and we struggled to get physical on the runners into the box. Argentina then made changes with 4 strikers, wide wingers, 2 strikers in the middle. So we trying to adapt to that in a back 5, which is a wider structure, and to stop to have a shorter distance to the players that took the crosses. But it was difficult for us. We could not find any duels. We could not find any ball possession anymore, couldn't get the momentum back at all. And they took advantage of that and won the game.
Nessa, we didn't trade the answer and Jason, not 10 not Thomas to share. Name common sweat to me. I attend after I said no trade, and sweat to me by no to us. Casaya, no, Massa, and Conforto don't also pass at some point in time. You have started game the first half England. Monsanto, my friends, Argentina, so Bono, might be a mobile pony, be an answer, Bono, Mutimi, Abo Pony, Abanasai, and I win your first goal and 4 defender who change players to defenders about a fay Akobo Kamama Dincho, Massa. Conforto donasu batio panina je friends tomatisha sano pai yen kamo biantias here so no wanya ni substitution wrong nemom za uko lusu gamer ana criticism no empempino anu so etimi adoso tomatisha anso nchiremu a odieni.
Just the nature of the game. As soon as you lose, you get criticized. It's just what it is, and you get criticized after. No one knows what would have happened if we made different decisions. So it makes no sense to engage in that and lose my head. I'm responsible for them. I took them, so I take the criticism. That's just the way it is.
Way Thomas Tuchel manager had mother 3 Lions of England and coma what day after I know Sempono Enra after San Trade and so told you this Commano and so to Jana Lionel Messi captain and so the my friends Argentina no didn't come on when him say my catch was Sunday big game no I told you when I find Laura of Spain no minor your friends Argentina and Beboy Busa Messi say Okosia adia my friends Spain and say game no I didn't come okra and on the subet media for what's your minor your friends was starting a carry on in some minor. Your friends spend an almost yano. Send Gobet me represent this way. Everybody saying, and I said, Porono or T at Salfano, and I said, propose an eternal Cobetia. Or my friends spend your CBB Biadidam. Now, young come up beer. And soon Tia says, spend Maya. One also when you mom brute and a players outdoor. To see a kind of my friends spend was one to Trona Swetimia Kanda and Aradia Cancer spend us let him know. Was he players to Trona Super Bassa. Now Bassa and she a teamer. Ono so dana kuma so bia basa enso bobo no Messi enso timinya kunya ehwe game ni bintene ono akobati o my friends Spain no wasi wono bibia dem na yenhwe ni mu o my friends Spain wono mecha am so bruta Messi enkoma no so edieni.
La selección enorme, ¿no? Con grandísimos jugadores, con juego, una selección que conozco bien, que es una filosofía de fútbol donde ya lleva muchísimos años de jugando de esta manera y conozco a los jugadores también, me he enfrentado, los sigo, varios están en el Barça, equipo del cual al cual quiero y sigo, así que nada, un partido especial, una final del mundo y obviamente imagino que va a ser muy igualado todo.
Gracias, Leo. Gracias, papá. Mejor. Gracias, loco.
Nanti Lionel Messi ono captain of the Argentina national team in Nkoma one Sweden ahead of big game Miami atuma Sunday to the FIFA World Cup final no yade san koma ni nyina su to dwumade esuna bibia en so atimi akwanka no to aso di nkoma wasimasa Argentina boys in the onim kwaya one Messi obefa so credit describe am say say ye kasa resilience ye kasa top mentality pa ye sa boys ne ono so atimi ahia en so Argentina national team pempi no one so timi bua no from so winning games outdoor Messi Nkoma wedi for national team no enso oni.
Sabemos y nos sentimos orgullosos de todo lo que venimos consiguiendo, lo que le venimos brindando a la gente y somos felices de que la gente pueda disfrutar de la manera que está disfrutando, que lo viva como lo está viviendo. Como decía recién, sé que salieron mucha gente en el monumento, en el obelisco, por toda Argentina y nada, para nosotros nos llena de placer darle esta felicidad. Creo que hoy no era un partido más, era un partido muy especial para todos los argentinos y creo que era el partido que no queríamos perder y por suerte le pudimos dar una alegría más al argentino.
Wey ayan koma lina Andre Messi kutitino captain en so de Argentina national team no en so di afani teammate and operation koma nyina no en so tuja nanim se no medi koma en so chose pro to sa pikema en onu so tojo panina je friend say Gary Neville en so to be my brand friend say Cristiano Romero en brand friend say en so Lisandro Martinez buto say onu so betimi aka say onim kwankwa na say podie besi my friend say England so ntimi nya 2 goals and my friend Argentina essentially we show Argentina omo backlines a brantia je friends Cristiano Romero and Lisandro Martinez was omo Sambrut entene one indienti anase de baba me pacho my friends England no entiminya 2 goals and my friends Argentina enra after century and shoot me come England no a brantia friends Cristiano Romero one so di juma adi Argentina national team no maza watutu bia magana vu brutal say yen kamo biantia say Garnevo wakasa brutal no masa during the days on obobo no papa by crown no suba no and so timi adi komasa no brantia friends Cristiano Romero one sebi masa nsem we anu enyan was it 1 year stupid say we be jabo ne bona for we criticize defenders outdoor and also ya radio cancer response a brantia friends Cristiano Romero no on so dia ma bania friends Garnevo no pero yere san common and so to John and radio masa which is England for no more brutal after century the ban masa ye cap idea can say England national and say fanza woman pa brutal dia na say enra dia nema tojo enso idea can say Atlanta no na enya agudio essence masa everyone say ana wuli di 1 goal chesa Argentina national team bona mu bon kra na mu ya better enso say Argentina masa 1 adana tusha mumyem na mumu bo na mu wini masa after say game ne ba wi no England chita fon tutona enso edi nkoma say
1-0. So I'm so gutted that we then decided to defend a lead. We left Messi completely free for the entire game, and he was dictating everything, wasn't he?
Absolutely gutted is an understatement. I think up until now a great tournament, but bringing on a lot of defenders was, we're asking for it, I'm afraid.
We've done the Gareth Southgate, haven't we, right at the end, and the most important game we've ever played for the last 50 years. We've gone negative when we had an opportunity to just stay positive. We were running rings around them when we had that positivity.
Thomas Tuchel is definitely a step in the right direction, from Gareth Southgate. He's got that fresh ideas, super smart man. I just think, to be fair, I thought bringing on defenders and really banking on getting that 1-0 in regular time might have been the wrong choice, but not for me to say, to be honest. I think he's got great ideas. Wouldn't change anything next tournament.
Yenti way enso eya England a chita fo ni bi eno amunkomo mu di after say ntwede no enso timi to Argentina show me no timu ba ko yede san koma no enso to Jumedians na masa eno ade Argentina national team no mo yade bi wo be kai the year 2014 after so munya qualification e kopiem e won final no sa bana way omo sa ade agopama so eno a wom the same bana enso agopama so way eya ntokwa na so kumbia eno so ade Argentina man no enso ni England for England man him wo be kai the year 1982 na say when enso eye Malvina when Falkland Island na say enra after Argentina Esha mana your friends England no woman the Sabana way eba mountain and say park ne so I can say the Malvinas the Falkland Island no woman say Argentina fonkoa and to away abako sankakra and so for nyame aduma Saturday betra say extensively at Komano and so betchem reporter Menseka and say FIFA and you metime final mana your friends Argentina esan say about football me patwa dey can say politics and pepe no FIFA antimi so say no say nkoma and no Menseka di nya no and so man Mike Obama me Bonnie Aires now say Bonis Aires say Enra during that time as a big game no and say to your massa e ye kan ni papa dia na say o mine friends Argentina mo capital city Buenos Aires na say Enra eni pa di twin so street so na say momo many soro ku dia ye fani ko and so enkoma no to your and so e o mine friends Argentina no pa no ye dey san koma no to your na opania ye friends Thomas Muller so na notum waso no wani ade kan say mentality Enra no so to your e England national team nim esanse at some point in time no mo dominate game no e ba ne say no mo so timi hwa e ma Argentina enso betimi enya sawi no enso ti o my friends England pania your friends Thomas Muller ne nkoma odi ye enso fa game no ehuni
way Argentina plays a hell of a game and I cannot believe and understand how England approaches this game and especially after they're leading. I cannot understand to invite the whole Argentinian game to hit one cross after the other in perfect crossing positions, but no matter. Chicago ahead, Leva, I come to you and see you.
Henti way Thomas Muller former player ma German national team na say no and twedi na so e ba no so di na no atuma kakra yere san komono atuja na Mike wo mami Argentina national team no after say omuwini na celebration jubilation pa and so etoja e wo dressing massa ye ka anije ni jama pa bo se Messi munyina dom wachim unya the likes of Rodrigo Di Paul Lautaro Martinez Julian Alvarez munyina so etimi ade o man hu agima se no de na se massa Argentina team no mu yasa victory no pa eti join show no live on Facebook national jubilation how Argentina national team no so jubilate after say wo mo say England na kamienu amu team baako Henti anoso aya seni Argentina national team no enso timi jubilate after say no mu twi for minor je friends England so come no mu team ba ko me me no kasa mo so kopia mo final this time come no enso tuja na eze ewiase ba nyina we Argentina adehye na omo de natural and also automatically on be support Argentina national team no World Cup asia open mind ba ko omo ya lawyer pa enso de mo brand friends Messi and Argentina mining nyina eye Bangladesh na masa enra yenya video bi abrante we enso as Argentina jersey e the Argentina colors aye no ni dwan ese odinachi wa painting no Argentina Michael my video no na se yenhwe abrante we na se ye ka support man na se bio Argentina president no kwampo no wono so betimi ase na se odwan no enso dinachi chese ne Bible ne ka twa ne ka no wasi nwanko no omunim ni wura ho enti wodwan no so di ni wura chi ase Argentina colors ana mu nyina so atimi de ayo mo anu ase wo so take ade kanse Bangladesh street no enso so by so ade kanse storm de san koma no enso atu judgment de so na bibi bia enso atimi akwa maka chose final no enso ese Laurel Spain enso no minor ye friends Argentina ana de bebo so winim say for the first time in the history of World Cup no yenya ade kanse European champion enso ni Copa America champion obakai the year 2024 na sa big game and also you can say final asima no never say tojo Argentina and so ni Laurel of Spain sa game no and so timi amaso ni nyina say ne ye timi skade sa game and so minor fence Qatar and me patcho sa big game no and timi amaso no and ye timi nya final asima ne back nyame aduma Sunday by hook or crook sa big game no and so tojo Messi against Lamine Yamal when chese obi can the goat against the kid na say aponche penny no and aponche ne ba and cancer Sunday woman the big game no and so he says no so nkoma ke toja ye di nyina so so na assistance ye say Ballon d'Or no me no kasa no adia ye can say polymark and say polymarket and so the adia can say percentage no and so ba na me no kasa assistance say akoma say Argentina adia can say World Cup Messi likely so bet Ballon d'Or say Spain adia can say World Cup Lamine Yamal Ballon d'Or me no kasa percentage no say ana won komate Messi eda kan e wa 31.7%, Lamine Yamal etosu menu 30.9%, abrante friends say we no enso eya Hurricane wono etosu men 13.5 na Ousmane Dembele etosu ade kan say 93.1%, that when you can say Sunday dia say Argentina edge World Cup Messi ebe Ballon d'Or winner, say Spain enso edge World Cup Lamine Yamal ebe Ballon d'Or winner no so eya nkuma ke fi obedi nyina no enso tu judgment de so na bibi bia enso timi akwa German national team no Germany football association no enso so atimi a refuse say ne wom so betimi abako panina je friend say Yan Infantino ne me pa twade kan say FIFA presidential election no wom so betimi atro mo support dem panina je friend say Yan Infantino no so nkoma no pe no men say kadi nyina so toja juma de so na bibi bia so atimi akwa me pa twade no da obeka say semi final first game no enso toja my friend say Spain enso any ade kan say France and the win up so abrante friend say William Saliba picking on an upper reporter mete and it's a Branton Obako said you area 4 to 5 months and a Branton no subeti attention when a big blow party mom club your friends Arsenal Paris Commano and so to William Saliba there and Tiamet is 4 to 5 months Branton and sweet team did you man for minor your friends from Nasepono or club and friends Arsenal Peno your son command air to the anima Brantia your friends Edward Mendono and so fantastic goalkeeper Edima Tarangas Lions of Senegal Obakai and on what World Cup ni tojano abrante enso timi bra unim sesa game omusudi bi betimi boy career cancer run of 32 no against Belgium anyway enso timi ensiaka reporter mete and it's a Brenton engineer picky ni nyina no me pacho Senegal Football Federation no woman timi entua kobo kapre bakura enso timi ama Brenton no enso timi akwa antu timi akwa de cancer pono me pacho ria banase pono ni recovery no omonso timi afawoka abrante enso onu timi tua kan nyina and Paris Saint-Comano and so to Jana additional reporter meetings on the 16th of August we know almost any club offense Saka 04 and almost the big game no and so by the win dam son of Paris Saint-Comano and to Jana him say Emirates Cup no so big game and so to Arsenal and so any Borussia Dortmund and bebo reporter meeting say ticket in a sold out and Nyamia Dom dia on the 9th of August Arsenal and so any club offense Borussia Dortmund we know and so Emirates Cup me part of Arsenal so the Borussia Dortmund no and so the boy reporter me say kind of pay and he say Celtic no sold out just a fans so timi to brutal no so kuma kra me say kind of pay no ye di nyina so to judgment dey so command dey nke dozo nemo emre ne kwa say ne ye titi form na fa fisam komo no dia kam nyina no ye be so mo kan ketasi Lumba supanti ye tie we mra ye ba efisam komo no ye be to aso.
Yo, you don't know, upness, highness, is it Nana Kujo Crunch, they get to be president. So I know Pebia Miti DL Power Sports won him. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia Jumedi so Kujo Crunch ni. Mamenti boom. atamfo no fiansa bibi o kasa de wa beduru ba amane atone ne amane rascal kuni me tie DL Power Sports ewo Anidaso Wɔhɔ mu Obia dwumadi ne so ani nkuju kranti me fe ni agro mamente
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead.
Right, Tabusu Sinkonya so kan getasi Lumba and Supano Pemakacho so and can Sony Bidia. Nasa Messi a big time person say in Sunga so Bajama so Biaja Tumba Bia Fabiadia will be answer to me Abu Bobby Lumba Supankwa and I know one of my mouth Pomote, Ejabra and Titrini and Yano Mania Mamma from Mosua, Moma Quadadu for an Swene, one of the clean system, Yakapuza as a watching as a baby boy, baby girl, and Swedi so barnes as and Quadana, Toto Fifi Motuafono, so amono mapomo deno enso ejabran Lumba super amona ana pamido mu komacho ese obomaden nema sanka bi o madama ana egusu asin konya so agudi mu samana pano yede sumu jumadi kese so fadus no efisa mu koma me no kasa dia honorable minister for sports and recreation honorable Kofi Iri Adams say wedding koma akra enso afa Carlos Queiroz unim say after so pani we dia call World Cup and also timi kobuka run of 32 year free mu no and opani no so the mamante dam panifo so I'm sweating me and Mujidi Jumano and sweating the man reporter men second pay and it's an honorable minister so opening in a contract no and my way Yamia Duma 19th July as a Sunday and a Carlos Queiroz one also contract no Ebebe and also GDA so opening on Subetimi Ajepene Nene Watwaso and so a head coach at the senior soccer team the Blasters of Ghana. Honorable Minister for Sports and Recreation, Honorable Kofi Iri Adams and Community.
I've not seen anyone who has come clearly whilst we were in the World Cup and even after our exit who has blasted the coach that he thinks strongly that we did not go far because the coach was such a bad coach. I haven't seen that. I haven't heard that also. So what it means is that we may all possibly speaking with the same voice and in the same direction. At this moment, he's still committed to Ghana by contract, which will end 19th. And once he's still speaking to us, he's still engaging us, and we still have room to engage. I believe strongly that he will not abandon.
Wey honorable minister for sports and recreation honorable Kofi Iri Adams and Koma one also edifa Carlos Queiroz in sense and asempono and Ghana Blasters Jumadieno and one of Pedisan Komano and so to Jana Daniel Opari former Ghanaian international Blasters no wabobi papa nene one also edina no ato Ghana as a infrastructures and common unim say nyamia duma next year makacha say under 20 AFCON Ghana and hostina yaka tempen for ekwan biaso awase sa tournament no enso etimi etojo okromu a ni kwanse ne wamso ka kire say yeni stadium na serve infrastructures a yebetimi host sa tournament Daniel Pare enso edina no ato sankomu ase na yenkamo bi bianti ase nyese ne ye Ghana 49 say yebe won say yebe wu ya na say yebe nuni anwasre wase infrastructures adwumadi na say kromu ade eniama yedidi agudie no wase eye very very poor na mpempi no say woka na ehye na bufuo eno na say mpempi okwa dia na mpanifo so kasa okasa dodo masa so ye Ghana ni na say your mamba padia e wase Ghana sem na badu anu tumu bi Ghana e wase mpanifo ye monema ye masa ministry ne federation ni na esem ye monema ne wase na iko sagu say yenya Sulemu Ntari saso biem Dominica dia mo Asia mo apia ana no Daniel Pare mo saso yenya biem sanse ne juvenile teams ni na ya guno under 20 ya ko ade kan say World Cup qualifiers AFCON na akwajagu under 17 omo timi she Daniel Pare enkoma onu sudi eni.
We have to invest big to improve facilities. And truth to be spoken, our facilities are poor. I'm not going to sit here and pretend like because I'm a Ghanaian and I wouldn't tell the truth, you know. Our facilities are poor. The teams don't have good facilities. Our junior sides, we are talking about the Starlets, the Meteors, the Satellites, and I think that we are not taking football seriously. And it's killing the younger generations because that is where we all developed from. And these are some of the things like when I look at, it really hurts me because it hurt me so bad to the extent that when I see our junior teams really doing bad, the Black Stars is not able to get the players that they are supposed to get because they have to go from generation to generation, put them together, develop them so that we can have the product for the Black Stars. So when you see our group and the group of Muntari and Asian that passed by, tell me, we've not seen any other group like that. The day I was there, Inkum was there, Harrison Afo, the Wakasos and the Ajimambedu, Rabiu. Tell me, the Dominic Adias, where are they? So I think we are playing a lot. It's a joke. And when I see things like this, it really makes me like angry to talk about it. And when you speak, they say you talk too much. But this is is the truth. I'm telling them the federation needs to do better. They need to encourage the coast teams. They need to push the money there. They need to make sure that these young ones get the facilities for them to improve. Otherwise, the Blaster is going to keep on suffering, struggling for years to come because we are not going to get the product to supply. And that's the truth.
Former Ghanaian international Daniel Oparinkoma one also DLFM Ghana ye infrastructure and sense no and opere sam komano and so etuja na report am nsa ka no pay and say unza FIFA and so etimi ade kan say test medical assessment edema Ghana ye referees outdo no pina na report am nsa kan say dodo na and so etimi agiagu opani bi te say nei Daniel ni laye sanso na Adai Abdulatif Reginald Amwa Collins Salom Yao Bless ana Salifu Bariki Sumunyina and so etimi agiagu nanwata me pato FIFA medical assessment na say tester wo mo sha say July 9 February 14 July no ye ba wi na sempanifo mu nyina and so etimi afele report am say kan say nei wo mo so etimi ya reschedule o ma I'm going for no ombetimi asa etimi aya foforo no so eyankoma akra me say ka on this note agudemu nsema eboabo nyina no yem fancy na yenda Lumba njupa asisa brono bia no wo mutimi afa dwumade nyina wo ka mo so enkonko so mana ne nkoma no ye the latest nyina no ebra fe no ye sa ba fie de fisam nkoma no enso so ebe somo my guess so coach and produce show no me dey the best maka do say ubetimi afrem man bi say na me so no we efi Miss Henrietta makua mo aboaten waye wafa entourage ne secretary wasi yemfa konya we so na yemwe se Larry Klein Padiki Asare happy birthday pa enti Larry Klein Padiki Asare Miss Henrietta akua mo aboaten si yemfa konya we so na yem show happy birthday na wasi yen country say she loves you so much, God bless and guide. I say I love her so much, God bless and guide her for me, grant her the desires of her heart, she should keep being amazing. And I say yen kind Psalm 23 verse 6 and so I say from me and the family to I say or no any abuseni nyina and I'm saying fakunya we so na show happy birthday party Larry Klein Padiki Asare nyame entu nkwanam wanti na nimunchiro na oma kwatenten yesi Nyankopon se oma hunum ne ntase e wo dwumade bia ubedim happy birthday pa ana yenyina yensusu yedema we afi Miss Henrietta ene abuso nyina ho ana se yemfa kunya we so enhwe happy birthday nti Mr. Hitman no pa yemfa gudi mu nsam no
right Bismarck adu se me da se papa pasa no pa wodi agudi mu nsam akopra so nsam abeda tifo a woti DL 106.9 kan kata se Lumba in super natural mineral water.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ.
28 minutes after 7 a.m. here. And I base my cadusa say, I would you most some go promotion some other pay what you about? Can't get to say Lumba in supernatural mineral water. Tia good year mon some other pay my men kwa man so na feminine na dream pahine ending komo. And I pay traffic situation no et say. Nana good morning.
This is morning.
Na and I pay what to say.
Akwa so na abring na no mekano. Say adichi na DLFM 106.9 channel no ejane na so na woti agoma yakopan dom mini hwan se me honya akra
okay my mention one up here for now na traffic situation no at the same ho
all right akra this year na a branch from Kilatu Junction ewo hachu atomic kwan so na me fan say 15 minutes ago no na me hwe kwa binyampo tam hono no denia traffic neti Obia be dia dance say kwa binya hono no kwan babi wo hono ma na tutu enti after 7 no want to me antwam ewo babi ti say 0.5 musuku hono na wan wura ma mpie atomic hono ma traffic no anotimi yedi papa enti asat be me fan say 5 minutes 10 minutes ago and I'm here monitoring no now from 0.5 ediba kwa benya atomic runabout ni muno na traffic ensheda inni hosa na menoka say no be runabout ma unse kwa benya MTTD4 no wamu ewo runabout no ma wamu hwe amama directions no na otu ani straight yese okọ domia hono so no traffic ensheda in one piece here nemum go slow kakra na because kwano baby I then atutu na from kwabenya police station hona de ba transition every pm hacho no no abra me monitoring no akra na traffic no ano share da anya din na semia sa kwano sete no in the next 15-20 minutes no traffic no ano betnya ya din wo papa nti say ofi baby ti say ACP kwa benyamu honum anase abuom junction honum ni bia wokọ East Legon na wokọ adenta I would advise you said ta stretcher enam academic city na ebipie abuba police post no honum no wana enye but ubetime izunu kakra sa na watimi abepie residential na wide wako bi say transition honum no traffic no asase sanso na me monitor from Christian Village Ediba pillar 2 one so no so traffic no asase a ano share da anya din but in the next 15-20 minutes no ano be din no afina ofifia momodin na ma ho nya ha se ne be ya obetumi aden atwam na neme dem report no eba wie no akra and ranajo na me monitoring bi na in fact abranti bi ewo atomic runabout no Madina Junction atomic runabout no akwa bi directed traffic one ndi odi maame Christian in fact akwa no adwuma obo no ono kan ho bi na traffic eba atomic junction runabout no ewo form no nti mesese penifom mo mani ko no because menini edi nkomo no na ochiri mu a adwuma na oye no voluntary work na oye den oye and akwa so far no anopa no unama junction ya bedu bia no MTTD4 ejina ho a omodare titi ne besre ya senkafo no se omundi mbra no so na omunjai overtaking na ehunhia no na omunko so inti DLFM 106.9 Anidaso Wɔhɔ na aginepa hini Obia Sempa the second akra midase
na aginepa ya na pay that papa so my the traffic situation and pay ekoso won cry now yadase 2 minutes after 7 a.m. here yedu wakrata moboso no yede ba
Another 6 o'clock is here. Wake up and meet the morning dear. Brand new day, it's a brand new slate. Like Barack say, yes I can. Don't let the worries of yesterday hold you down on this lovely day. Well, look up in the mirror. and say yes I can. Obanyo fe, natengwa we. Dani mukwala kabo, magana marekena blow. Natengwa we. Obanyo fe, magana marekena blow. Dani mukwala kabo.
Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, time is ticking. Just do it.
And it's time for the newspaper review segment on the show. Kowaka Tamu Bosona na pay de ba. Inshraba kojo sabibi na pay what na say na fe no. Na pay all the top stories, all the banner headlines, all the major stories making headlines in the national dailies. Kowaka tani na ya krado na pay ya. The home command ya de ba. But the phobia no would one birthday your mom. Happy birthday. Happy birthday and come on, Lady Talata Jackson. It's your birthday today. You're from Bright to Kai. And your birthday, happy birthday and confirm. Herbert Buachi Yadon. Happy birthday going out to you. Friends of Florida, happy birthday going out to you. Nana Kusia Santua. And your birthday, happy birthday and confirm. I'll be cratering in a crowd. Shraba could you some be at a pay what's Nasia, you do Kuwakatamo Boswano, Yadeba, Nibreni, Enquiries.
Yeriko newspaper review no more. Nishiraba, Kojo Sami B, Nordin Semeriko, so about fear. Money life, Yabama for money. Headlines, no about my mind. Politics, sports, me entertainment, and so Kojo Sami B, them my what you newspaper review on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ ma Obia. You can cray every morning time. From Ghana to the world, yeah, in Sembreu. Breaking stories, yeah, in Fantuho. Sharp analysis, they kasapa binso. Wake up, Ghana, time to know. Kojo Sami B. Newspaper review every morning. DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ ma Obia. Tune in every morning, don't be late. So DLFM, yeah, Wɔhɔ newspaper review. Winchiraba Kojo Sami B.
Winchiraba Kojo Sami B. And I pay what's Nasi Kuwakata Nina Ayakrada. Medical catch on that's a joining you live on Facebook, live on YouTube. But I want to share a link on for being so into me. Maybe and I pay. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Brakobra.
And I pay what to sing. It's a beautiful Thursday morning, and I pay we are rising and we are shining. Na bibia kama. And also the and you know.
Yendi kanchia yenna nyankopon ase so hwe yen so boy ho ban na enna so ode ache yekwa yene yen etifo mu tiri frechichi ne benche nyina se ahyenkafo ni nyina wa wote wa personal care mu wonso a ye trotro adwuma bi nyame hira opa wonso so a eja mofa ecolong journey express for no ne taxi drivers ne VIP ahyenkafo na nyankopon hira mu nyina wonso a wabie information center kese a wofa yedwumadi ahodo wonso so ebi amekese ne bi aduane na wo ye ton na wafa yen show yi ana se pap bi na wabi ana no pewuti ye ne a ye mpa abo no so ne nyankopon a ohwe ne maso no hwe Israel so no wanto nkuda na no pay no onfa ye nko no nsan fa ye mra na ye bedu afi asomdwemu a ye nyina ye de ani gi no se wo bekase onyankopon da wase ne ye nyina ahotefo age so se ne amen.
I don't pay some be aboko dia.
Boko nyame adom boko.
Na de medi kan kai no.
Yeah, sure.
And no so de ye na ye you know.
Say say we are no ho. What the name I be to twins and ye ansa wasi gina ye wo ho. And ohwe eye World Cup agukensi ekoso na medimani di teams no dodo na chiache. And obeka ya mra champion Taylor eye interview fi hanom before Kransa World Cup no be sha ase no. Me can pay say team back open and make man so beji World Cup no Spain, and that's what I said. And I'm just sugina na bigina na. And you say obi beka say DNT na waka say Spain because omo players no most ni na youth and a born omo bo a omu nhye de no obi ebeka se wedie ono na team ni si ne metri so ntini we ya nkreke a ye ho akede yen enti obi odi na ni adi World Cup na chiri ye no obehunu ne say Spain team no de we ombo no obia ye obia enti say England na eni Hurricane Bellingham no ne ade eni obeka eni Argentina Messi ukofa team we ya we no omu do say nyama na ye obi oye good de but team no mfo mani nto nyama so be say go say na wahye and mo bobo na obia bobi and we nya bo no nka say me twan say me fa nkoma we and they are playing as a team but other teams na aka no mo bobo de be do ba bi aka say individual brilliance na ye match and this akoba say bi a player bi a o manda no so na amfa o mo ho akere won and o hwe tournament we na England o mo hwe da mo bo papa bi a o de fo ni 2 form na be pembe bi o mbedu endra na dum bi na de o mbedu be o madure no England ebo be no mabo o de hwe tournament na mo bo bi asa o nti ukogina o machi na ye mwanwa ndra me fa na so ada na ye mwanwa because na minim say dey abeda
our friend is that time na
and am say abeda because omunya sha Argentina pe na senior friend say kojo na wa hu say dey kro no ye be wi no na me so ye wo fie ha ya you see wo hwe Argentina team na do beginning no any ade teams o mu hia ye no na dodo na African teams ye beka say na ye friends bi o mo nam na emre kakra and wo hwe o mo matches bi o mo boy na du ba bi na say favor ne wom ne kura de ye one edu ba bi a wo hwe some of the referees o mo decisions no mo take ma Argentina na edu ba bi a na mo werem no kura de ye ba ko penam mu no endra ball no mo boy no o mo da esu bi adi say no Argentina team no they are capable of winning this yes World Cup no but emfa media minim say finals and the Marco ba cup and the mutumi nsum mutumi nsum Messi be wa ya de pa ye mo na ba so wa ya de and then and the kwem fa so mo share England team no manage we left from Obia you know hear some of the decisions in the ground na come England but ni nyina amfa nti endra de in fact I must confess boy Argentina boy na no wedene and omo ya de pa ye mo Messi ne mlante na ba so and we hear and the 2 assists or ya ni nyina ne dem nti no to me ne de me da so jana medina me hu ne say Messi akọ fana ho de ba ball ne de omunya bi mo saa o fana match no gise de onim ball ne de ombebo but Spain be dominate game no kra na Bismarck at life ke kan ho na en ho yem sere say na they are not going to allow Spain so mo no wa na ka kire o na ho na bo ahode mo se no France na officer France na nko ne Argentina hye nko nyina mfrim sa Argentina team we no sa nko ne France na hye ya enka France yini frim simple kra but hwe kwanya Spain team no hye o mu team no Messi ball no bebo but ne ho be kire ne brutal finals na me adoma Sunday enumre no nkro na nwotwe is it 8 or 9 7 born here 7 p.m. Argentina second na obedie Spain be cause wa hye no emfa because ombebo as a team and almost so as Argentina be depend on individuals a year brilliant into emfa enti no Bismarck me hu se na nia bre bojam ba emfa that is the truth of the matter obeye bia so for so hye nkom na ade and so so for no bi sun sasifom bi o ma sa akọ nkom say England beji World Cup no ene ade a enu so ekosi sei ebi so be kan say Spain France na beji de bia me kasa bra kobra aya ye nyina no me mitwe me prediction ameye no nyankopon na de na di a kire mi o mi ankasa me analysis a me de mani tu form ye ne kire se me hwetim we no any players o kita ne de we msi o makan na we betumi ayesi nyankopon na de na di enti mi nkan jire me se nyankopon aka enti mu amokogina so da mu masafo ma no bo nsem na mo hye nkom se o mba wi ni a oji a amfai ise de pa na mo ka kire asafo ma ne bio me bitumufo mo asofo na mo pe fans na mo padom atwa wo mo sikani bre enti mo nkan no kura nkyira asafo ma na ade anyankopon nkan mo se nyankopon aka we se nkan fire enko asofo yo de no ma ba tudwa na Ghana fo ma ye nim lanti we ya frɛ no makoma ni sika saa na mo ye kuruma munyai nyankopon be kɔ so agu mo a mo di sikani be obegu mo ni mo ase nyankopon me da na senso sɛ ɔyɛ ni saa da bia wo bia wo be hye nkoma nyankopon ni mu bi nyankopon ma no ntomfa ho no ngu wani mo ase sɛ be ya ye be hu anokrɔfo no mo mu no ana kwabra ne menya adwen o sa na sie sɛ wo Bible say wo kan kan de to me wo say de obɛhye nkom ɛwɔ me asafo rade me di mu na mamu no ɔyɛ ɔtorofo nya nyankopon na me kan yeah, that's what the Bible says. Opa me hwehwe quotation ne ma na me ma wonte ase ye ɔse wa obɛhye nkom ɛwɔ me asafo rade me di mu na mamu no nya me na me kan ɔyɛ ɔtorofo na ye kom ene de no I'm just mama.
Johnny, live on Facebook, live on YouTube, on TikTok. Mr. Hitman official, and I pay quadruple komoba. Do you know? I say come na do one.
Come na do one.
Hey.
Come na do one. Remember what is here.
Remember. 106.9 Anidaso. Oh, Obia. So I'm doing my food.
Say.
The same come no.
Come and a do maka, but that's a fast for the person better. Person befa.
Okay.
To do na meka. Only me say bia. Ye time bi. Ye. Aha ye time bia. De bia meko so aka. Ye time bia o. Ye time bia. Mama mu no kra eye ba akopɛ. Sɛ wo no do wadwen na hu a. Bo modern ka sɛ wo susu sɛ ba mfa Nyankopɔn de nya den. Enka e Kristofo no bi gu Nyankopɔn ho fi too much. Enso ye na nam kramofo nya sa. Ade nti na mo ye sa.
Nyame bie mani no.
Aha, nyame bie mani na me hu ye no.
As a match no kra wa hwede da.
What ase ye? Me de me kan Nyankopɔn ne kan ye. Sa mamu a eye me ma decision na me ma dwen kyerɛ ma kyerɛ. Nyankopɔn ye nguna ni mu ase. Nti bi gu so me nya ma sesi a wate. 18 on. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, 1822. Yes, it's true. Enti ma brako brama me pese ye kenkan. Aha, ye kenkan na ye ma etiefo no tine ma bi ase. Mo amokọ asori a mosofo no hye nkomemba mu no. Ye Nyankopon na ka kire wo mu. That is a reality. Owie no aba begina wana ne sofo ba kun o ka say ade no is locked. Omo se Ghana ye kọbọ fana sa akọje World Cup wa ha. O say is locked. O kan wie no o say ade no Nyankopon atom ni waka no bia nsesa bibia ntumi nsesa. Omo wie pe omo se omo anya we nti na anya we no. Nyankopon ka asam tsesa na adwen. Ede ade a ma men kan ma na fi omo ntema se ye mu a mokọ asori a na masofo no ehye mu nkom na emba mu no. Ebi wo ho no ma tutuo na anya se bi kura ho no ma tutuo na eye kwam na men kan Nyankopon ka asam na ento mfa ho. Enti Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 22 no yen hwe se sa ne tia na. O say ma men kan English version in first. When the prophet speak in the name of the Lord, if the thing follow not, nor come to pass, that is the thing which the Lord has not spoken, but the prophet has spoken it presumptuously. Thou shalt not be afraid to him, or thou shalt not be afraid of him. Enti black over the okeni dia odifo no kasa awurade din mu na asam no anya ho ana amamu no na asam no mfra awurade ahokyere na odifo no de kae insuro no ose den
ahokyere
ekom na makaka omuntie no he twere kwankwa se Nyankopon yensi na twetwe na de nipadua na no na obetwa medanyamya se de bi okoso agu atorofo na nim ase na ye nwanwa bekọ no still na ngole me ngofa difu we ka omuntie sa sofo no munya o ma sorokọ na mompa asori ye ka no kura se mo kire mo na mo nkọ wate ana no ba ko be ye bi e fa ya pe no de na ma beto ase no de yad be se o mo mfre no
afa
ana me ka kire wo afa football no wonimbo animbo openi wonimbo yenim say sunsun wias no mapi na wom baba wonimbo animbo Ghana yantana no man share Egypt say 6-1 ewa Kumasi Sports de kokun nantwie ya we 2008 no I think say before can 2008 na ye call World Cup bi kokun nantwie Kumasi ehun sem yompo ade ne kokun bi World Cup na ase na utu edu atu ne broni ono o free cent no utu sene no kra ye one de mumma susungo no na mahunu no wonim se team we players obetumi aboa kwa animu eye ka se team we betumi age but man for Nyankopon din meta ho nsan ka se is locked na se de Nyankopon aka na de just wasen ase awie na di Ghana ye koye ya nu ba bia timi de mesre edu ba bia na we wura ho se mugu Nyankopon animu asesa se ma nyame nka ye enti wo bia wutimi anopai asori bia wo kọ no mesre wo so sofo hye nkom na mamu a bedofo yi hwe hu ni se ekom de no enya Nyankopon ne kan ye nyame nka hwe nkyere no bibibia Nyankopon obeka no eye adwuma enti e wasofo bi omo nkasa basabasa obia na no abakobna de beka bia na ye ho because oman ho kwa na Nyankopon ye den e de fa no so me maka enya nkom hye se Spain betumi age World Cup no me hu ni so obehya Argentina nyanyame na ka kire me na mom me hwe on performance any team work omo ye ne de a bibia da dance so mbehye aha ye kamenizi graduate nyese France behye Spain me ka kire ni Prince Emfa me ka kire no have Prince Emfa na no ba na so chale de waka na ye adwuma France wo team ho hoden but Spain kwala no bo no mo bo ase team ɛna France no
kodo but
rely on
to me ba say Nyankopon be yi akire but bantu ho anamo a
openi no kure nie osofo abeka akire say is locked na beka je say ntu ho anamo Nyankopon na okan na asa aka akire we say wasen ase ade ne is locked na kire say
is sealed
enti die entina yenkoye den wa hu bio ye woni ma hodo anyame de na di kire wa
atoda akwan kase bi tumi bi
me ba nya botre
but ho akwansidie for
nya botre enti no de na ese woka aso osofo eni mayenti ase so tumi no nyame de na di akire me sei ene besi ne mumu no gimu tu ho anamon na mumu se moye ma adwene se mbenya no seba plata de betumi aba se embem afini ye hu ne se de waka ne hyehyɛ ye den ewo ene wode wo waka si ubo waka ne prince say ade we di ato ko se ne besi it's two things o
kianeke
what you say the American no the otie me ntiem ye two things say ade we no Nyankopon de na di akire me say besi ne mumu no mamfa ankoye na mutu ho anamo de anhyehyɛ kakra de ye beta ho ye die nkofo ya kan praise openi ato course Nyankopon asase na ode krado atum say ye dan ya tim we ne de mo court ne ban obegye na mfa ne mu wi ameka kire say na ayi obi koso we fragm so ba kokra be kan say yama akoso Australia say fofo yi frag bim enti nya de Spain fo no betumi akofa na so mbe frim enti ene so ene so ma anya ho adwuma openi me na da ye ho me de maka enkom hye wo ho nya me da ne nyem opeso ye di kire ne ma ne mumu no asofo ni pi bi kura na Satan na yi a kire obi kura na abonsam peso ogu anim ase asofo no ebi wa na Satan peso ogu anim ase ye ohun fi na ogu anim ase asafo nanim enya bibia na ye hu a ye pere ye ka se obeka ya according to Bible ni got a point a ema na Peter mo Stephen mo bompa ya na bibia firi suraba ena nam we no o se mo yo se Yankopon se we ho ntema ye nwe na o ma ya edu ba bia se wo pese wo kasa ewe Yankopon dem a nya ho abotre bo ho mpa nya me kire no bo ho mpa ye mre dodo sen ene Yankopon ka kire o se ye seal ansa na woka e fresh na obetena radio so no woka e fresh na TV so no woka mutusu ngu Yankopon anim ase na yesa e ma Kristo sumo no ekofom it's not fine
ntomo de combination kob no
oh to na approximately 90% Ghana has of worship almost 90 akromfo na ekohwifo nko a that is the truth ewom wo de wo pa ye nko la na yi videos asofo ya keka wa wo be ho de making almost 90 akromfo na atrofo nko a na mtete o manyim na mo nka na kore nkyere politics football and maka say football and politics be kosoa ayi wo mama na mo ntro ne koma mo didi enti no omunyai na mo nka na kore nkyere nipa omunyai na mo nka no kore asafo dum bone wom nema bi amo ye bi mu gi amanfo kunu bi gi amanfo yere ebi mu bokro no ewide enwuma mo wiawi amanfo sika mo nka no munyai ya no nehia Nyankopon kan so aka sisi etie yi asat na Ghana hyebre se be ye den yenim ne mom ne beto aba ende ebe hu asofo mbe hya bato nkomo memu a munyai mususu ngu Nyankopon anim ase na Nyankopon yensi na twetwe me hwe ni mu so mbe sasofo ba ko bi so abeka bisa me hwe ade me masma me ka bia wa ha bia but me radio na ye no so no Nyankopon aka me ka kire se de me huni e wada yesum ana de ya me da na de kire me ni ba de mia me di me nim de ni ma adwene ka de me mfa nko hye Nyankopon me nye Nyankopon fa asemfa ene Nyankopon so onye me de ana me boa se Nyankopon ni obi nche na nim nyam te de me de ma adwene aka Nyankopon kan kire me se de ko ka se Nyankopon na ka kire me de nya ne sa de omunyai me de maka omunyai na fa na we so asofo no bia ni mbesen aguase bio edi on babeka ndo ni buase na besa ba ndi asoro ma na eso mo hwe ni yi so mo hwe ni yi ndi sa what was na heaven ni sa mpa se de yaji atum se heaven wo na trekon na kan what wa na besa ho what te won commission sa na besa ho akọ bi order so tibonim so no nka no kure nhyere utimi sa wewu nkwasi ewu no besa kwa echire ho mo hwe ni yi
okay yo right kwajo ubre ni Ghana for ti ko wakrata bobo so de yonko
Black Obra no pay native wasena ko wakrata na nsem no edoso na yente yebo asena yembubu ma na Ghana fo hu nsem ahodo no pay ekoso ewo o my Ghana na yemfa ko wakrata eye daily guide enhye dwumade yasen na daily guide e dia baba tudwa na wode openipa kane na okasa edema Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Baumia ne campaign team ewo mfempim mienu ni eduno enan abatomum Mr. Dennis eye Miracle ne phone da hanom na kwa kata no epa man say Rocco never squeeze me or quiz me on 55 million stolen cash. O chirema emano kopie mu Rocco company fo akache no wono mo antete no David ono grampo no ono won fa ska bia na ono kra ne nsem akos no enya ade a wo na dim ko mo grampo je se ono kra ko fa 55 million Ghana cedis nti ono kra de yo mwanwa because from a friend ko ho no mo no se sika sam no ho asem no kra mpiem ho ono won fa ska bia nti ye mwanwa se enmuguase enko so Dennis Miracles aboaji chirem say Roku ho sa 55 million Ghana cedis omozo omawia no kra de enya ne ho nkomo kwa mu kodi ye kra nti muntum na omfa Obia sika nti enu na chiretin ano pay oni sentwerefo akasa ko akata ede ho amanepo aba abeto edwa na agita ne nyina ne say akwagita wa hanom a 208 million a year met a year shipment so beka ya omanyimu ombo modin ayenhwe han emani ma bi free Ghana ekwamonone na ekwa na okoduru ye pe na moche enema na free Ghana no mko hwe mu a enu bone ne ma pa omode bia frefre bidie ne ade na no edene na ho sensem no de bia da na mpenifo bi sase na sa de we ne ho sensem na kosi sen na beto dwa say Energy Commission staff mienu mpenifo ache won sensem no munim ho bi ene ye katafa tesom yensa ewo daily guide na mra ne de ana de Ghana's favorite newspaper ochiremu a sa 208 million US dollars inu bonia enipa bi eboaboa no wa hade hye bidie ne ade mu de kwa no ne koto ekoton a omekwache woro mo no Energy Commission aso ye hwe o manga ne ho ne ensem so adwumayefo ben 2 omachi wom efizo mususu sense ansem no omunim bi omo bo mu ntom ko yi ano kwan ye fa so e ma ho kwan ma sa ade ne si ye no aye nsempi enye izikra aye nsempi na santemantemu MPP ana no me le twam ya bato amoto ya na muyi makanifo mensini mekire constituencies no omo kirem za santemantemu no abato mpesu amiensa ena mentem ho ase bi ne denden ne ma bi ekoso amfenti no empenifo ho de no omo anya ntum nti mbesa akoto mentem ho ase ne ade e de amia na me comment ne mente ase ehun sensem saa nti no omo se ho de ne mfa kra omo se legally no enya valid amfam na kwanso de ho de ne ekire din nti moto na unya pani wo mpeni midofo we obesa akogina bio ndi za otu atwi na katafata so ensia e daily guide e bo amane ano pay say demko ma sheba dwumendo ada Bank of Ghana nsensem omu kiremu a Bank of Ghana kwatam Ghana sika twitwiri die any gold board for gold reserve anka sika yemfa yenzanka edi yakwagodo medamase ma my Ghana ye sika krabia kuba time Bank of Ghana na kwobwa kasusuro eno nkonta buo ne hu nsensem na nka mese badwafo ekirim se saa ehwehwemu no esense ntwerefo ba no mbe hunu nkoma betodwa na nka eja omama hu Ghana fo ahudi yakwa wasansemsem num na ndra dom kese ma shebe dwom kirem se ye nte ase ehene ne ha oman ne mra enkyeresa etino saa nkomo ne Ghana sika Ghana Bank of Ghana ene good port akotem sika twitwiri dia eye oman Ghana ye gold reserve ede ko twitwaje Ghana cedi e wamna US dollars eche Ghana cedi 2 from pap anusumire bi atwemu no twitwaje no wie ye no moja no tese moja na asase 2 oman Bank of Ghana so de ne wedi akwaje Intamu chire mi se de bi we no mbe ya no behind closed door meeting we ne nya de a o ma kwa na sentwerefo aba ho enti o man kasa kukuam komo no mbakwa kwatwetwe ho no makwa hwim ne ade na mo se de ade enti na dom kuma no o mo boy kotop meeting no o mantena ho o mo fro pie kra o mo nyina piem ka se ade ade o ma mi yo ha no na asema si ese Ghana sentwerefo bam no mo hu de yakọ no mo ka kire Ghana fo a mo si da bi yamfa yenko ye kukuamu ehia mudie na Ghana fo yensi omo ho kwan na Ghana fo nti ede ade nti endo asem twerefo no omo so omo Obia nko nti no dem kuma no nyina pie yensem pi anopai ko akrata de ho amanebo ede aba betudwa e wo katafata sinsia e wo daily guide ko akrata no emu na yemfri daily guide na me hwese me nam the right path there sure na yem free daily guide ko akrata enim na yem pem ne ko enim ne yem kwada ko akrata hodo a akanim na yem free ani nkire mu ewo ma ene akane ku akrata women and leadership ko akrata den sma ba no bo amane say Senator Rawlings calls for urgent reforms to reduce money's influence in African politics. Enti ya mame ko lokro tema she bedwani oniminyamfo Senator Ajeman Rawlings wakasa pa ochiremu a ensam ha o krote kole me shebe dwane chiremu se odwena ha wonte ase ekwanya bibiman yatena se niama ho kwan ma edu abato a na obi ede ne sika a kire baabi aba no nkro enti da biada oman mai so mu sigina yepa ema wono mo man na oman ne ko anim wo mpuntu kwan so no enam sabi nimpa woni midie na wadwene pa na oye omamba panko bebo na omana kɔ nanim ni sika asem yenti no na okwa emfa because illiterate nimpa okwa kɔto aba no ono okɔ no expect so obɛhya na ta so kakra so wamfa ama na onto ma wo enti na mazese no oman yentumi nya true leadership ewo Africa wo okira bi memu han zeze de ekɔ no esempinifo na se ye nhyehyɛ foforo bi na ye de brasa sika ye kyekyɛ eme nipa na ye kɔto aba no sente saa de a de bia de be nipa bonfo be du omanyi so ɔde sika beto yen na ɔba betwe abo so pa ba manya hwini ma hyehye na kyena hwɛ de ye pin ho ento ye ma hye bedwane ogina ma de hye mo wɔkrote kole me wa faase Dr. Zinato Ajeman Rawlings anu ma asɛm no nti munya reform no munya reform sententem na nte sɛ be hadwen ano pɛ ho sensem aba abeto idwa na women parliamentarians forge original front against gender violence enti emma mo wo manga na ma hye bedwafia ka sɛ kyerem sɛ o ma sɔre gina mo na so brane etu ba bia ekwanya mo de enipa titiriw ne emma ene mo frafa so wo mani mu no enye fine enam sɛ be ma wa odin se no obenti etu ba bia asisie ne yesibram bi enye fine enti wono ma ye baako ebe ko atia sa na mo mbone tu no enye fine bema bi ne yiri nya asɛm akwa bafo betwitwe ne nisu ama no na obɛyɛ nim esene obi a one azuma ne kwehia ye asɛm na aba momfa no nka sɛ wontumi ne ntena biewa a fa no kɔma na buzunya na ɛkyerɛ nye din na kɔbra no tumi ka ɔba atofo no watena no so na ɔbɔ no sum papa n'ani ase nyinaa na ma no so bi ɛhwe mɛma no aya ɛno so mɛma no momanya so yɛnkasa obi won buru bi pa mehu ɔba a waka bɛma atofo mu si ne so papa no sum left and right saa nti aya na mɛma no so bi bre na ɔmo nka onze mɛma no ma no hwe ɔmo saa na abɛka opani wagu ho anim ase o sɛ me yera hwe me na be de kra no waka no nti sɛ ka DJ Hitman 10 gram monte se na ko abɛka kyerɛ sɛ ne yera hwe no na o na obere obeze ne waka nti no mɛma no mo hwe on da mo ntumi nka na mo fa ase asatu zongo si na ne yera hwe na wa bɛka kyerɛ wai adai wo fa ase wasti odobu ne janji na ne yera kana to papa no suma ma na ko abɛka kyerɛ sɛ ne yera hwe no o ntumi nka o hye ne huku nti no mɛma no bi so bre nti ma no so mo so a mo hwe mo wa bi tira mo hwe mɛma no so ya munyae enye fine yeso ebe so retia mo nti ho nsɛm no no ho nsɛm na aba no ye simpi na na oye bampo ato leads a drive to strengthen Ghana's population governance na oye bampo ato the deputy chief of staff wakasa kyerem say oman Ghana esa mo strengthen your population governance no ho say oman ye doso pa o ye doso kese oman ye woman ye control ya mean ye bet rate no eno an say ene ye ubetumi a wo be ye 30 kura na me na me de ho obi antumi nkyerem de amenye bada mama ho do bi so mu control enja ma ho bebire saa o se omo na na aban na hwe mofra no ohu ho na okwa ama no ne mama ho do pi no Germany ni ade aman pi no okwa yame wadom na se wo a abofra no aban na be hwe ne saa kopem se obenya mfinhia du nwotwe ansa na wagya na ahya wofo nsa ndibom se abofra no benyin no wo foto ho no me se na awofo na menya Ghana ni a oye bibini a obefa sika na die a abofo no benyin no wo ne dwatire kakra obetumi kura de atoka de bi kura sifie abana hwe on kama enti no ma ho kama wo ma wo 30 na onfa sika na mahwe onko ama ese ontumi hwe tedu ba bi a ebi a wawa nipa wo ba basan bi ba nan bi no ahu aboro so okra should be 5 nank wawie nanzo mam nya ne saa kobrane obompo a obi kura tumi wo enu afe na foforo san ba bompo asa adenti a Nyankopon na hwe nipa nyame ene hwe nipa tena ho na de kwaso abompo a se nyame ne hwe nipa na abehu se noko ye gen ana muka ne se eno ano no noko ye gen abehu se moku ahyehye kwaso na bompo aga se Nyankopon ne hwe nipa na de ewutati na hwe se de Ghana ya no abehu se Nyankopon ne muodu enti no se no mba se be ya o man no amamo ne be kwa form kama na o ma hwe hunu se de o man ne te ne ye hwe population ne ho na ye ho hyehye o Ghana ye dodo ye sei enti sa ne te de ye hyehye na ye se ye hunu se nipa dodo se ne ye wo no man nim na enko ye de se ye twa baabi agya ne baabi fo nkwa na efiri fam mutumi ye population ayi no control bet na nka mani bagio ana hu ze moa ye beka ho asem tu de ye mfo no nsi ansa ye beka ho asem na hookup culture titan its grip on Ghana young women caught between economic hardship and exploitation adwonko katafa tasumi no ewo women and leadership na emaye bi odomfo ne ebegina ha no opening chese maya no ho akono mo ho fe pa na mo ntale hye munye na mesra wa ma Facebook ene YouTube ade mi kan uhunu wo de bra katafa tasumi no ewo women and leadership ebo amane no pay say hookup culture tightens its grip on Ghana young women caught between economic hardship and exploitation chese omanyimu hookup chese mo say enye yize obu ahu na no ho afa kama ohunu so oba we de oye decent oboa aba fonten tan so ene odi ne dwuma anadwo na wada no ne ya de ka be fa no ko mako huma ma no ade chana mo de na ba ene esa na ekoso a omu kire ma se de hookup no je Ghana aboso no se ya hwe ni yo mani dachi o o manu ni dachi o se exploitation aho kire ne kom to ko ba ne te wono ma menya dwuma anye me so makọ university awie na menya dwuma anye de na so bi be fam ne o mo se bi mu 2000 per night o be fa no kwada 2000 ye hwe se plus na himfu kina bi de da bi achi ye hwe se de we shape no te no ene se de wa obobre ne te na ye se bi mu 5000 nyina location no da bia wo te no okay na so wo bro shidi a wo de ne je otiso chokọ ne ade no je otiso te wo se wo mo be 500 bi kure wo beje but so wo cantonment ne North Legon East Legon no ne ade na achim water ho no ne je se ho ne ye sikafo ne te wo okay no makoji se ska no da kura dwuma enti nipa wo fi se amafo na dwuma be opening na wa so da ho ma che da kura kwada obi nchen aso da ba fie okoye a 5000 hyehyehye ne da opono so empeni ka se mi se nantwiba masra de de ne mo makira asem yakoma ya de mabu mo fa fo ne be de se na maso ma ne se na da no hookup enti penifo sorry hookup bebia se de ya ye hu sa manfo je nyina kwa na ho no enye omunya ne kwa ho de se mo kura kire se nipa dodo mo kwa na ho no kura de esu awo chairman nipa na kwa na ho no su a dodo na nkasa wo mafiafiem omo na efro mo seniors ye ka omo ye best brafo na seniors ne omo a omo nkogina kwa na ho no omo wo mafiafiem ene ye fro omo abefo 10 so na boat de number ana abetu ka befa no ono ye seniority omo ma brand omo hu yipa omo kire mu asika omo giye no na ehu enti benefon so na ese ni amamra na yema sini tirase Ghana ni maye bi mu kura wo senior high school bi kura wo SHS no ye hookup no hookup no se ete se eye be ayahyawo wana ahyawo promise ene ye kan se ahyawo repanded no obi fi se hookup no nya ahyawo pa ahyawo mu seniors pa ne sa eyi no hookup fo no hookup na wahunu bi da on me de menya nhia bi sa adam metete se hookup na me nhia bi na da menya bi ne mehwe nanim nti sa na ye mu sisi de o man de adan hookup ma yo nti no eno ana mpenifo no didi hu kakra esikafo no se onyani wale ontumi fa bio openi na obosu market rise e ko fa hookup ye de look now ejuma na den wasi me chiao ene ba ne se dia kwa me nkoma sa gro overpass na se ne yi kaswa overpass ne nchemu ho na se nso do me kwa benya nso o wa begina ho hwe Block factory top one mamasa. Who do on my fake? And ya de wakra. Hey, no more shall have no free nego. Na wakwashe lazy. Omo to me pam lazy into my no my pam no more pam sana. Just a woman baby. Talk ready them into where we knew how they see. No watch I say yes. And nam wum kama enti befako. Well no. See no more headquarters and I'm say La Paz kwana hono. O ko foot bridge na se wono. La Paz. Dia. O ko nya meche side wono. La Paz. Hey. They do on miles on one bows. Castona at saying onimu would da. Customer at saying any because last them na Ghana man penny and Papa John Drum any mama 2016. What is I think that was 2016 or so. Now all power Dubai interchange you know. Coming come second that did no more no more a pound to man. Minima down for back when you see a quack be that town I be saying. Oh, Metabu side honum. And Yakoi. Yakoi do come come second and one of my trada black crab baby a washy you know. Now buy a just say nice lady. Not many madam for no man so a carpenter you penny pa. Timani she say hello, how are you? So I'm fine. So it's been a long time. I say you know whom you way. You can name na minche den show more than a man catch him the challenge nko for no na say sa am say na be yire ne. On the men come on ya de am so. Ya busy part to the mam time kakra na e bia be samba back e na sa na man ne de emirika po tu ye no. Je say ne hu mirika say e de ade a. Ehun nti adwuma na eden. Enti mpenifo nso de nya hu adwuma. Ye jam ebunu ne ze omu nyina nko e hook up e bedu baby no. O man baby be ho. Now the chronicle they about them say 102 pump action guns seized in anti-galamsey crackdown. Hey, also for no man Ghana. Yansas ya kwa ne efuma gudie eso wo manyim. Ono kwa na ya de sha wo mo elembela beto mpesu aso ma hye betwani. Oniminyamfo ahofedua Emmanuel amakofibu akase ekirem say. Anamonto mutu akutia galamsey wo manyim no. Sei ono mo saka etuo ayebeka ne se pump action gun. Je se tu eto baako betuma to be ye wo ha. Dima ya obtain 10 sa no. Omo atumi agimu oha 112 ohane dumienu no magye. 112 pump action guns no magye e wo manyu. Na je se Ghana fo mu wo tuo no hwam ne to sa tuo no ma won. Pump action gun openi baako buo no. And omo de ye den wa site wo. Mo de bo mo ho ban. Na munim se adwuma na ya criminal de omunya ya they should stop. Oh. Omo achi omo agye ta tuo nti etuo no we. Mfangu baby yo na enkwaka amanfo hofro nsa wo. Mfangu ye mayen. Na local rubber processors reject monopoly claims. Na on we say what the rubber dia no dia 20 ho no biem kakra ma me. Na Ghana fo no ma hwe rubber. Ye ka rubber na ye kana eyedua. Kuafo ne dua sa rubber no. And instead of my no fe na the chronicle ko akatra betu dwa no. Nto se dua no. Oye de second bia e de second ya de edwetwa ho saa na nsuo ni firi mu ba nsuo na firi dua ni mu ba na ye kan se raba no 10 time na mo de ade ahya ho no ma esogum kama na ha ana wo ho no fe kama na ana no ya ban de wo hye eto ade hye o mu twa raba o ma mu se mo mfa nkwa mo no ne nkoton no o mo kaka se na Ghana fo na o mu hia raba na de aye wo mo adwuma wo ha no na mo hye da ye saa e ba saa na so mpeso mo gi bibia tare o mani ase na mo kirem se enya saa ne mo no raba no mo de man ne de ye adwuma wa Ghana ne ye da na ani a ye de kwa mo no ne ye benya sika kese na ma o man sika sima konkan enti we nya monopoly bia nya monopoly se ye twintwa twagi bibia ta ye ni ase enti ende omunyai kra sansanam keke kan de sa monopoly ne de ye no kre da no pe ho nsama betudwa betudwa na the daily satellite Abraham and pay say and here for dictatorship minority works out general said America na adaku aka tani mu na hu sensem na aba no enye yize kura ma hye bedwuma gire se benta na dom kuma Freddy say emna no wo ho da mo ma ye mfa mra na nya adwuma de a mo do so se na dide mo aka na mo aka mo mfa parliament wo na de mba mfa anye o mu nyina je sa mo ko obu pie kura obi ansi obi kura hu sensem na aba no enye yize kura na another mu kirem say Argentina set up monumental World Cup final against Spain after comeback win over England. Katafeta so enkron ewo the daily satellite Abraham and pay say enye yize kura enda dana obi anim so de aye de said England fa kwato atene dikan na said no me kwandi enka me wafa ase Messi ne no dom beba fie ene de bi obi attack ne say FIFA aboa no FIFA waboa ne bi ne momento ade FIFA aboa no ba kokora na se se mo kire mi say sa World Cup final no ho e Barcelona fo na yekobo we said ade na ye na they say Barca players we have Lionel Messi na ono ye Barca player senior man power captain team na che aji nkuru wasa atontena dodo na ne karia ne nyina mu ye ka team awabo pa aboa na ye Barca na nyama yin so ye Barca ni na we Barca players ne so Dawson e was Spain team nim they said that na ye ne de we are seeing na boboku ahodo no Barca ene ekofa na yam ko mboya de Sunday ni ntina o mo se e beyere pa na mo de Messi ni nyama e begina nti we de yo father and son o enti abofra ba he ne papa na se ne papa be hwe ne be ye din o match we ndie ha e be yere pa enye easy kra enye easy na Messi o mfa na ho no so tumi ne de obeko abofra be ko no widie mu nhyehyɛ no mofra no be je cap no ese mofra ne je na oni mi say Spain so ko finals on lusu sa o what you say second time wa ko final ni okonso awaje bon obo ni nyina o ana yehu Spain team a on nation bi ahia wa bon da you can't outplay Spain ebi say that na next time abreso nyina untumi mo no bon obebo asena obebo asena bon so de the best way to to defend is to attack enti mo na ye bon no na ye be hyew enti mo watch out ye ba we hye Argentina na me ye sure say Bismarck besufia se de nani abre no Messi wa ye bi oya ade me penal sembuta Messi de for now de go to no wayi ne hu ana me boa wayi ne ho zero wa ya ade papa wa bobo wa gine den mom say pass ye ka wiase bobo de a ne records na Messi records okita say ni de mo bia ne mpre mesrew wona ne pre obedi nkugo ntijai we me mpre ho obedi nkugo jai kra na cap no so de nyama de beko o de beko kra na woni mi say cabinet akasa kirem say Oman Ghana efumagudi na yeto no bawuram with the business analyst eba man ye say cabinet okays 20-year limit for mining lease omo kirem a aban e de Oman Ghana me akodo wade tu efumagudi no ode madwumakuo na otumi mawo aboro so ane ye mfinhia due no no wakogidi ho no mo sa mfinhia do no so na se modern money so ani na Oman ne je ho ane ato awo so moa ye nzo a na etwam na yaje yade na osoafo hwe oman yensa ase ene adodade Yankopon de adom kire Minister for Lands and Natural Resources Onimnyamfo Emmanuel Kofi amabo akirim say 20 years limit ne de ye ya mo abro so mfinhia aduasa edu no sorry mfinhia adu ne de be ma ho ye mai bi mmoro so nti ye na momma me bie 20 years ne de ense nke be du ne nke yetu bi pa o na yi me won say abet kwabna dwonfo katafa taso miensa wo business analyst Ebaman yes say go and sin no more. GJA president accept apology of Central NDC chairman. Me wafa say Dr. Richard Professor Esiedu Kofi Esiedu. Fifi mantemu NDC otitreni no. Na kaso radio station ba kwa ye fano ba tampana. Wade ba tu dwa say o say de ade na ye no na ban na ba. Na ban ya ba no men so wa ban ba emra niu. Wa ban wo tumi a openi obetumi apap enipa sumbe de obeye bia enko ba bia Ghana no wunya tumi a wa ban ba tumi a oman mra nya adwuma enka wo party ba wo soro won kuto de age mo am wo fom na mo am wo soro won ne obie ne wa wo kita di bra wa ban mu a emra kire wo free enti na mo ko hwe obatampafo no ekotum radio no ka jira mo so mo nnim na se omu bia se dwuma mbedi wo mo ho no omo de tax for kwato share wade mo so ho a na ndra abed ko bradwon fo kirem se senior man oman na otwemienu obepa chew tebro for the by say go and sin no more ko na when na wan koye boni bio na de so sene wa ma aso nti ndra NDC Central Regional Chairman no e said ade na ye no abed ko bradwon fo de no ho ache na isa bobi jeja ko enya na kra ani onko peska akra ma station ne ana awon be ye 2 billion bi ansa nya bad 2 billion Ghana cedis so wa ko hunu na won ukotu mu no so no o ma nya adwuma ana meboa ente se mutwa ne damage ana me keka nkwa asem ese mutu nya se ma no keku is about time I say hwe mani pe sabi udi nsem hu na wo face enwum na wo wato no ese wo face na wo sa ho asa otumi akodum radio station because we NDC chairman wabanya ba te o man do pe na be odum no number of days no omunya calculation ma no na wontua ema station no ananya no ano no wo fa se abekomla nyofo se sika na jema station no wanye ama na medu ho yawo number of days odun pe kodum radio no onko no nkotua hu sika ma station no on san fan petesika yeden mp so san kodo mo kokota kwetwa mu damage enti onko nkotua se sika no ema wo mdeza medwa pa na yi koko class cocoa board cocoa board class 162 million cocoa bear arrears on to non DDEP holders je honsem no so na zero two just about temska bubro na de kwa koma cocoa akuafo no ese ekoma de o mache na ba temska se munye na brama bre no munye na mo fan prepare ni ade ade nye easy kra nye easy kra na bra ko mo chim se don come bi kwaso Kofi don come aba daybreak ko daybreak wakata no chirema don come at Ghana Revenue Authority as auction sale triggered revenue leak don come kwaso e Ghana Revenue Authority honom na Ghana ne de we o ma sha ase ka so auction o moto awie o moto awie empenifo na chama o mo ho dada hamu wie a na mo de aba sa auction o be ko no na ebi ni ho se we nya first time he besie omo chema omo hu wi a na omo de nkra taba se ye option do be kono we obi ato wo peni porto ye nso a hu ne da ndi ye se mo nkɔhwe ndi ye po ama ko vie nkɔhwe why se bi wo why ne hwe ne meka ho asɛm yi DJ Hitman kaka ba mu di anka ma na je ba ko ba ne mo eguar me hu se oni mo de ahyehye botum ka anim fozu di ye akɔ bra fa nya hwe ana oba kɔji na nka aja after work yakobo ndonko mi wo kantamanto emwa on rakɔ bed nka ja unya ka bia on VAT bi wo mu a dan ka jenya 10000 bia nka de beje ba ko o mutumi nka se ka ba ko VAT 10000 wo be ko no ne ni ho mo visi ejimi mfa mo ho kra na rakɔ bra sama awrahu ni mo se shocker ni 17 doctors battle mental health conditions a doctor for pod don son eno mo nya dwom hawo e wo manyim doctors o ya de ye ko mo ho no ahokyere na ye mo mo so adwunu mo anya adwunu ha doctors pole don son no mo nya adwunu ha wo manyim a mpinifo bo a wonom ente mobo na sanso ya wereko edema doctors sin ente ho nsem na no pay no mede asom wo na ansa me so kra no bede ba ku bi ba me monitor na me nsoro nko we ya woda soronko a chana ha ho na picture bi anka ho we ya woda soronko e kwade ma me wo faase precious na confidence so amakwan hene owo New Jersey USA na we there in fact yankopon ya dom pa dia fe ba kwa kan mfe ho a ono wane fada na eye yawo amakwan hene NF ni mada Jennifer ene abusuani nyina grandma eye Rosemond ene na abusuani ankra ne asona ba eye kodwofusu ne ekuo ne nyina kirem se ne yankopon ya dom na ode afe ba kwa kan mfe ho nya ne kese ompagya ne fira dum kwa tenti ne onyini kira no pe no abusuani nyina esre edema ne so happy birthday nkoma ho me wo fa se precious na confidence so amma kwa hina wo New Jersey ami hira opa na woda no onye ne so no kokura wa kobra ye nyina we sine ko ankata mbo so no ye fa nyina wana de bae eno no de ense enko babia ye fancy
as usual na
so we born New Jersey ne wa be hu
ono sa quick commercial break here basisi a
Minia femme waso ene umre kakra na menka DLFM Plaza Hotels 171 Trail sa wo baby ye meetings and conferences are anyhow because DLFM Plaza Hotels were very spacious conference halls are a state of the art se ekomdo na wo baby ya obenya duane a emu de ne mu ohwam na pomudi wo mu adi ana ope ensa papa betre abodwonsa ya so bogo mi na se ni pedua mu nyina ba yo from anom dia menhwe baby a said DLFM Plaza Bar and restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon. Yeah, a man nyina to Mrs. Wontrini. A modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, ahomikawum nebe shekiu amoni aje etwagusa. Oh, DLFM Event Center, DLFM Plaza Hotels. Edai papa. Inipate dear Ebuso into Sawope hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Ya ubenya wa sumdwe dia. Ye bia ye punama. Afe ye wa 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom apartment. Ya ubetumini wa busia abetinemu for a limited period. Afe sheshe Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Echira kwan ewo obotan so ene ya techem ya ni nyina ewo Koforidia. Ebrin so behuyen wa hwase. Ye ni fire service station no ene din hwani mu. Se wo kwa denta. Ye wa frafra ha ubetumi afra yen ewo homa yi so 0530458834 na 0207979461. Email info@diofosuplazahotel.com. Website www.diofosuplazahotel.com. Diofosu Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. You are right. Yamin Pefi, a feels with your Ediadian nam. So do Hunia, when you had any problem. Cholera Semina, a fina deba. Into a film quality, and now the solution is here. Lacat Waste Management. Oh, yes, Lacat. Share Lacat Waste Management. Providing reliable, sustainable waste management services. Wuhia Lacat ya anti-fee into your way fibia town. Number 1 waste management provider. If you send something in our Twitter, Sano Bieka. In fact, the expert in waste disposal nankasana abano. Among 50 yopo, who fin wako who awansna, mosquitoes are vanishing. Interfering kakapenina away. If you nyadpa, into Fawubabo Lacat Waste Management. Ninkipo Ghana clean. In Fifiemu Estate, stores in Menim, Quainten Bola, Pia Lacat Waste Management. Clean shabu shabu. Offices, hotels, restaurants, hospitals. Bebia. Lacat Waste Management. Ejumera bema wire clean. She omu trash bin ni ye papa ni biakasa. Size bia muhia. Inketwa kesia mu akesie. Inti fie bia mu estate stores, schools, hotels, churches, factories. Bebia. Lacat Waste Management management. Ne was for the whole town. Atimubola same way jume biafa. With fleet of compactors, innovative solution on time pickup, app-enabled tracking system with SMS notification partial. Bin lift starting at 65 cedis per bin once a week. Lacat Waste Management. Ewa hachu Mabe Junction near some J Hospital no. What to me fair office number no on 0598 610237 or 0543 190 346 from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Sabekayen. Email yetisian@lacatwaste.com. Payment short code with Momo available. Lacat Waste Management. Ejumara nankasana abano. Kroma yefe infifie mwa yeni. Estate yupo. Hotels, offices. Jeni fitun kwantaya pai. Obe reduce, reuse, recycle. Amaya enjoy better life. Jewa bontin wonfifie mu. Bebia for waste disposal. Ubola garbage no ehifana eko. Eye Lacat Waste Management duty. The services also ye perfecto. Into ye the proper waste management na atwa wono. Ama 1 to 2 boile ngu basa.
Comes alive.
FIFA World Cup akansie na dusubiemo deal 106.9 home of legends the live commentary ebebro and to way akwanya sa wonso bebo wadwaton de ho dawuro isanse ha no obi ate wonka sika kakra bi na wutua and to wonso ye adwumakuo na afa opese wo bon wadwata de ho dawuro a bomade asa obefre 0577475343 DL Passports DLFM World Cup live commentary Joe Ebwede
United States Christian Police Mexico Santiago Jimenez Canada Alfonso Davies Argentina Lionel Messi Brazil Vinicius Jr. France Kylian Mbappe.
It's official. DLFM 106.9. It's a brand new day and time to tune in to your number one breakfast show on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ. With your host, the one and only Hitman.
The one and only Hitman. News, interviews, newspaper headlines, current affairs, Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. sharp.
Start your morning right, stay informed, and get inspired. Only on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ ma Obia.
this is Daddy Lumba. You are listening to DJ Hitman. I love that guy.
DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. DLFM 106.9. DLFM 106.9.
It's 1 minute after 8 a.m. here, and it's still the biggest breakfast show. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. Alapema mini wundi nkomo kakra. Koma mini wudi no ye can't give us speak up so give us speak up so premature ejaculation, sexual weakness. Bema dia was to me just somewhere be me mo. You know na so papa give us speak up so na make am for the amawa. Yeah, they give us cold capsules about very effective. Adwuma pa. We see no upon no apostle. Here give us cool capsules. Give us about mixture, no support your immune system. No, I could say malaria, typhoid, and I feel jaundice. Drugstore be a pharmaceutical shop be a also give us speak capsules, give us cool capsules, give us about mixture. Lumba is supernatural mineral water. It's pure in every form. Just get a grip. Mount Sanka be jumedi be a woody apunto be a water now. We hear Lumba in supernatural mineral water. You want a bottle and you want a sachet. You found Fidia Munswe, your courage. And jumedi be a woody apunto now to a wedding engagement. Seminar conference now. Yeah, we hear Lumba in supernatural mineral water. Pure in every form. Just got a grip from 24 0555 27 4757 Lumba in super natural mineral water. Medima for her back clinic Dr. Time that's also in control. Yaria would ya chia wunya yarasano last stop. Hey, Medima for her back clinic Dr. Time that's all. Then the truck your new branch here be a pokwa sema yira for quality healthcare. Dr. Time that's all. Friend was 0244 774 282 050 0727 215. Medima for her back clinic Dr. Time that's all. Abeja for atenase anopay inshallah kojo sami bi atenase ko fi wa ha timini nyina attention join you live on Facebook, live on YouTube, but I want to share a link na for fufuro bin so entumi enhwe bi ene anopay ko fi e wa ha kojo so atenase wo mai ebe ya wo bi mfiri ni kroso obi mfiri ni mamu embeye o mai emfama yen wonsom woni nipa yankasa ne be maye man atumpon obi mfiri ni manso embe yo man yi emfama ya na pai abedwafo atenase a yede mpensempense mu no yede ba Woman se be ye senye ya woman for bra ene betre anabai enkoma me pese ye bono abedwafo atenase. Now the rise of hookup culture e wo my Ghana mu bibia bagana sisi a your friend hookup. Now the rise of hookup in Ghana, I know say where a complex social issue a hon komono edoso papa na page join live on Facebook, live on YouTube. Uba now was watch a link no live on Mr. Hitman official on TikTok. Uba now was watch a link no I'm fufuru bin so etumi ahwebi. Kwadio for microphone there matching.
Yeah, black obra so.
Now anapen koma me pese bono. Ya idea very very interesting and very very disturbing.
Okay.
And koma ye bono the rise of hookup. Bibia bagana sisi a friend hookup. Hookup culture in Ghana. And the same medical kind no a complex social issue and ɛho nkɔmmɔ no ɛdɔɔso fa microphone there na afei minti wa no pɛi
black brand pɛ me nase na yɛmfa nkyia ma ne tiefo a mukyɛ yɛfiri akyikyiri ne bɛnkyɛ na asɛm a da bɛto dwa no me mato medie ne din sɛ the growing trend of transactional relationship among young women causes consequences and cultural implications and cultural implications ni nyina yɛ baako growing trend of transactional relationship among young women causes consequences and cultural implications
ɛho nsunsuansoɔ no
nti no adeɛ ɛkɔ so a ɔbaa anaa abaayɛ bi ɛtɔn no ho transactional relationship kyerɛ sɛ obi a ɔde ne ho ɔne obi kɔ akɔda na wagye sika that is transactional relationship na bra kɔbra asɛ wɔ ne ka no yɛ kana na ɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ sumina sugya na sese no hwehwɛm a bɛda de ne kyerɛ mu sɛ enipa ɔmo wɔ afiefie mu a ɔmo ɛbɔ ba asibra wɔ Ghana no dodoɔ na no mma kwan no ho bio and we no no nso no sɛ bi nya kɔhwe abanfo enipa a wohyia na ɔwɔ anim nyam odimu no ho ɔfɛ kama bibia hu ni sɛ ɔyɛ nice lady bɛma nso hu sɛ yes bɛma we de ɔyɛ kama pa nanso na ɔyɛ transactional business that transactional relationship no kyerɛ sɛ yɛwɔ sɛ wo ne obi atwe mpona wo ne obi wade wo ne obi twe mpona na matem ho asena mote a ɛyɛ different from sɛ wo kɔyɛ transactional relationship ɛno no ɛyɛ pekin kran nti de otie ne ntia se yɛ
exchange
e pekin kran ɔba a otua ne ka na ɔkɔ ne baby ɔnyo ba nya papa no no ɛnya na abɛhwɛ no nya obusuani a enti ɔsoro no pɔ me front ka sɛ me ni die da bi ɔno onya ba ne kakra wɔ hɔ no wache enti wo pɛ sɛ ɔfa na ne kwada na ɔno waka na watua ne ka enti ɔno wɔ ba no owie ya pekin kan sika kita ne nsem ɛne ka ne sɛ transactional relationship
okay
one ba kɔbra ne mo pe na de sa ne ma we yaba ɛnɛ pɛmihu ama ya ne kyerɛ mu sɛ most of our universities ɛwɔ Ghana ha no enipa ɛmɔfra no mo wɔ universities no almost more than half of them they are being engaged ɛwɔ saa de we
ɔmo yɛ hook up ɔmo
yɛ pa
50%
ka kyerɛ opre more than 50 ɛwɔ universities ɛwɔ Ghana no maya no mo school akesie mu ne ade no dwuma dodoɔ na adia no ebi mu yɛ graduate mo wie school ɔmo yɛ bi and key factors that contribute to one economic pressures and unemployment ahokyere a etwe am wakoto eto anapa dada so no eka ho ene bie nnwuma ni ho ma nipa nya bi nye ena aka ho ma saa de we no ekosoro
okay
edi ba bia nipa ni bi ho no ma abaya bi ho no ma musa abaya ante se be ma opema na mpem obie ne mia omenye wo bibia eka ne se oba de anya hwe ko no kokofu san do na aka no oba de be ma se wo ho kyere wa woni buafo enti society no se oba ho kyere no opemu a wo mre edi entira because be ma na be bua wo ba na wo bua no so ampenisi sebe ebo bi jaja kwa nya ne kwanti we de wo prepare kyere ma ena be ma no oba akɔpa adwuma be ma no ma wani nya den ebe ye den se wo no oba na ekwa benya ena opa mo ba no nkwa na koda afro wunya
okay
I just oba na sebe oyemukui na no kura mpo kura no e den ma
this oba na just
sebe agimukui
okay
na no kura mpo kura e den ma be ma no because ya dwuma mu ha o magana adwuma hodo pina no wo pa adwuma na wo ye oba wo mre because na kwanya ne tu obenya kwanya ma be ma na wo fa adwuma no wie no obesan so no wada ka ho ayade mienu ene so ye ne benefit ba kono no enti ama eman na to omutirim se dodo na anya omu nyina but ema dodo na hu ne se oba de wontumi ntena honom sabe aba na efi makrama nka nipa aba da hopa makrama be ka nipa de wonte ase ti eman na do mo ne be ma da obenya sika de a na se adwuma ni ho ade ade ho so ha no enti ene sisi ye wo online app bebre honom ye dating app ene bi nso e hook up site wo ho odo ho kodwane a obi ba no oba udiem no no chat a me wa ha na eja wetuka befa wo
anti sisi ama no mu ngina kwa ho biem
ida bi ebi wo kwan no ho sisi ama mo wo kwan no ho ne de esua dodo na nkasa wo
mo de ko digital
omo wo baby akesi apartment na mo tete yes adwuma no
okay
enti first one me say economic pressures and unemployment ho kire wo krom enu nyuma amanfo nyanya ye one
right
secondary influence of social media and materialism said the above fontaine no so aye no omanyim among even the central for mana kesiye no kra no hwe sade ebinim ye omo ho ha we de yemfa central for mana wo munya kwanya kwatena TV so look at kind of character they portray we de hwani wa for ni dia je na hwa de enso wo bakwa ho no nya adwuma no ye ni sika wo wo ben pa sika no de baby onya firi no efie kire ho na eba they will not tell you ento mokwa omoto pressure mamofra no omoda no wona social media influencer e dey influencer ben ya yeah why no influencer ni social media influencers e dia no bi ahofo de wobetena social media wo no ankasa be ye no na BBL nyina bam BBL mnam ka kire wo kobra ni kotwa ne hwene de bi atare nchen na nanim ayi sebe otwe agyanka ya bɔ na ba na onam krom obeto ne yakɔ wifi de bi atare ho na bi de atia e wo kure body enhancement mnam ka kire wo na de pressure bani paso ebe ye ne fe tese otumi hia ni pere be otumi se ni pa we de ase Nyankopɔn no okwame na ofaase ye no ase ya nwene obisa na ɔsehwɛ mekoye yo na wo ye de na ye na wadwuma ye ntumi mfa nyo na wa kire wo kwan no efina ade ananka wompe na the pressure beto so you will be forced to engage and I say also practice same thing and then you be a some friend say peer pressure and social validation and I say validation some peer pressure no na abẹ for 10 times no said the amanfo a omo ye influencers no eye omo ho no de omo wo mo friend no mo ko school ni ade no sisi akọ SHS ni junior schools ni mu ni ade mo friend ni nyina peke onyina wo ba na omo nyina nya access to mobile phone into ohwe bi yesi osimesi influencer oba ko hwe ni phone ni video ne ma wo ye ne ade mesumi nyina mpeze meje osimesi de no be fa so na wa yesi osimesi enti afi niam yesa wo ye no na wo ye na de abeti so no enti se de tie bia no wo beton ho na de akoye sa ade no because adwuma ye sika de emfa okay blako ba yetoso enan ye kan weakening family structure and mentorship weakening family structure and mentorship anka ye na fiefie yabusuam nkyerɛkyerɛ ben na ya ekoso ofie ene yabusuam right enti etete mofra na reduced parental guidance broke down in family communications lack of positive female role models have left many young women without adequate support system to mitigate life challenges hwɛ ukọ afiafia pimu a ene na meka no hwɛ ma no mo so wo from influencers na de na mo de influence nkwala no wo na mo kyerɛ nkwala no kwan bɔne no ye won sem twirefo pi wo mai mo ye ma ba ko na ba si bra e na mo de aye yam sti kura but mo do not tell the truth. I see. Yes, no kura wo mo no na me ka kyerɛ wo it's alleged. It's alleged. It is an alleged say me sin sem twirefo ma ni pi wo kurom ha o mo to pressure man kwala no sika o mu nya no enye media nim inu ne dwo pa bi ase go bi shop bi o hook up o mo de timpenifo gi sika go motom nti mo ma ya na mo pese mo ye de say wo mo no you guys should watch out ebi ni mo nya bi sane ma na ekoso na mo fa nani age ho nti ya drag yan kola ni nyina akosa ate bia ni mu aya hwe ni ye benya problem ayade ekoso pa yes aso bia e fa ni say eye moral and cultural norms ni ma bi ho no ma ye problem bebre hwe wo hwe sese se de wo ko eye changing moral and cultural norms no won say o manyim se de nan kan santwe adwuma na kan yete sese enam se de social media abeye ene abeye se global world ninte no abrofo ne ma omoye no ene ye nyina ya copy bi ene hwe o my Ghana ha se kura hwe television a ye local movies no munyi yes to novelas nkwa local content oh de ade mo fanya hwe abrofo ni manko 24/7 ene omoye na wo kan abrofo no fa so siesie mo ho na o ma afade na eyo mo ne ma won sa na mo culture no sa na mama mna ne tie emfa no ho bibini hu ni se oba na sabe na nantukura da ho na no kwa akodo no na nantukura keke da ho na no kwa akodo no na wo be hye miniskirt na wo nufugu abonten na wa mu nyina gu ho wo me na nia dibrika brika pressure pa indi sane ma nyina ka ne ma na abrofo ne ye na ya ma ho kwa ma zesi ase no na media no edi kan wo mu no eno so yade a ha wo men ye mebunu na mo ba no na ye hwe sunsuan so de bebra ye mo frɛ yi wa we ye bi ne obi e fa ne say psychological impact wo ba hu se bedu ba bi no, it can lead to low self esteem, anxiety, You be a funny say emotional detachment, and then after the distorted sense of self-worth where value is tied to financial reward. So one can say your bar, or press the encoutie. Anu when you nyama media to mo na utumi e ma ho kwan na obi a woni sika bia keke be fa na okwada no matua waka na okro wo wi abonsa fi na wankasa hu se do me nya sika na so I say me ankasa me de me ho no asa ni ma bi kwaso a e ha dwen okay wo so oba na be ma da wi a na fede aba muntem yeah so wunya ko yu hu no da wi a e de na maye na we ba na odo sen nya ba kufu we ba na odo sen we ba na odo sen we ba na odo sen wan kwesi be say value no value dis no yes oba bi oya bibia ya we
wani onyam no
waton onim ono akasa ya we ntia ba na say mu hwe mfra hwe bio ova we nya hwe bi ko na nim nyam no waton dada on na asase ne so yesan so health and safety risk we obi a wodo ho sasa ne mani ma sexually no ye wanyade wo pia betumi anya e wasa na mu no obi wo ma akwa sika betua ma no beka je wo ye den o ma ho kwan ma ho mfa konom oye ono be da raw no bia mo 10,000 Ghana zo no kwa kwa yuka wa kira wo se we na mpese me ye me ma kwan ma me nhye konom no be da sa sika ni ntino wo be ye wa fire dia ma betumi kura kwanya nyinsan on planned pregnancy wonya wadwon se obe wo no so nyinsan be mu a utumi mfa nkoma no penin da bi se we no nya ukunu nya boyfriend e hook up na nyinsan aba okubondi aye den wo de koma hwan utumi mfre no mfa onfa nteno so yo ha ba ko NF academic and career setback se wo yasa ne ma na bedu ba bi ne me anka ho a wadi sua no bi bia be sei wo obi a wo tai engage wasa ne ma wu ma wadi sua no ma pi na betuma aye den asei and you fit on our culture and society ebe ba bi nso traditional values no eti so hwi na ne ma hodo anankaja oman ye mpanifo nim se obi a oba de okra no ho de ne ho sie no na ne nyina aye den apepa enti e de o happy na e de ba na mom me mfa we mfa me nya recommendation kakra de ba sra ne say sane ma na ekoso dodo na obi wo ho no ma abra ko bra ye ne den ma na adwuma wonye enye obi a na eye kom ne ahokyere na ode ye ye obi wo ho no ma ye ne den eye ade a obe ya no obi wo ho no ma adwama no adudi ni widie ma wi untumi nsesa no obi so ho no ma ye kom ne ahokyere na ode kwa akoye enti se ye kom na ahokyere de ye mpanifo no wadwuma ye omo modern se ombetumi NGOs ne aban be bia enwuma toto na mebu na ye den enye bia na sa na ma ne so ate ama yen
okay
afin say education and sensitization in chire ye schools ahodo ye mafra no munim ese mafra munim bibia o ni zabatam say omaga na dusua hyehye no ye bedum pempenso ye benya mpanifo metumi akọ chire e wo schools ahodo titiriu eni je primary school for ni JHS for ni SHS for no ese mpanifo tumi chire mo tunsan so bone a e wasa na motu mpanifo se sabe chechra bofro kwan ya homfa so nyina wan den we free ho ebio ya nsore religious institutions en so mo obi mo ho adwuma ntena mebu afu asofo na mo hyehye nkom hunu no ha nyame watum wanya dom bebre sei eno mo ntena se na chechra we mu nyina aso no mu no hook up for mo yakobna telling you aso di bia waga na bia hook up na bi wom o mo wom ntete se asofo no etumi nya bre e chire mofra no sunsan so boni e wo sa hook up we mu nyina nti schools ene so nse so mo kwa chire wo mu ebio ese ye boye ho modern say ye best strengthen family and mentorship ye wo bi wo ho no ma meta ma so na edu ba bi ese wotumi tete efie awofo ene mo am yam penifo titiru ni malema na moda da busua no no se ye busua keto se ye busua kese se mo tete mofra no ye mo twe ba no mo ni wo mu di nkomo tete no wodi bibi hye ni mu a ade ne abofra ne nyina na sa ade ne na eden ene na betena dansi e betwe ye niam mofra na abofra na copy life bi wa bonten no de abese ne ho eba ne sa ne yamwa wo no enti ye besere and their responsible media use yes and telephone se du ba bi ye di ho fo obi kwa be fo 10 tan so a niam ahodo ehu hia no onka ho asem o pornographic nko a chese wante se we ni obi akoda eno pe no be posti eno nko a ene nyina ya de influence ye mofra no niema ehu hia no ana sensationalism nko a eno so mo ayen enti eno so we being the media no so no ye hwe ne yie niema ahodo ehu hia no yemfa ye momoden ka no ho asem more than niema ehu hia eno so gba mofra no dodo na atumi do mo ho ekohye saati bia boni
kwadwo me da se papa ko fifa mic na na fe no ye nto aso do pay
Hitman, good morning.
Good morning.
Ishra kasa na kasa de wa kasa sisi ade hook up no adane national
adane national
adane national service national job a che say impinifuo ene nkura nyina wo me kan impinifuo aso otemase yes and mama young boys they look useless and they are feeling so insecure. Yes, cause obakoye hook up na a night oni penny bi bakoda na penny ni be man 2,000 cedis a Hitman wait me man 2,000 cedis a night. No, as a young guy, and it's funny how the age rate of these young girls no muye hook up, and it's funny say omu nyina 23 years, 24, 25, and it's sad. Obia school na no de no hwajim. Ebim gra school ni ma na omo de omo hwajim. Yes, and it's happening in our universities. And you want penny for okroma say omo girlfriends ne eyi nyina wo universities on. Yes. Aye. No kra na make catch. And if we are talking about this thing na ye ka say ye pese ye see ano kwan a what's it be ame make say dey be ame say most of our issues in this country now start if it is soro cause penny one mu ho a we oyere to oyere ti feel was my friend young girl hook up and then brana me no na me ma 2,000 cedis 1,000 cedis e bi kura charge 5,000 cedis and omu make it down money na e hore na body enhancement near den eba cause sisi ano wa bomama body near den engines ne shocks no wiki ayemre
shocks na a week
shocks na a week into hore na BB oni bem no ko Turkey BB on so me Turkey UK US Turkey just $3,000 to $6,000 e hore na the cheapest place ubetimi enye bi aye
BB just okoya ne to aye ni nufu and even from last year bana girls na start your man. Yes, they want thick lips anu emu yodu nyankopon ma wa anu emu odu in this year they want thick lips. Yes, and it's happening omo yom to yom nufu sisi akra do omo yom yem nsrade nyina edi gogu omo hips. Now who can say adwuma na yeye? Who can say yeye? Enti I see.
Or upgrade it to that standard now. A honor price don't change. Now price na here levels don't change. A honor abe ko TikTok no see me influencer. Send ya shiraba kan yi. Na ubehu o mama nketengete 18 years 90 I tap into your blessing. Hook up nkwa. And if you think and say you are tapping into someone's blessing, not 25 years girl, now I thought Jeto. Yes, where they free adverts. Jeto cars in Ibi. Now I thought 25 years. Now I thought Bentley.
Ejuma Ben Oye, no beer shops. Uko kan was me influencer. TikTok pays TikTok on no tell 80%, on for 80%, now for 20%. Yes. And I'm talking from experience. TikTok obi to gift mame $500 e buy TikTok mame $78 no kwa na me catch obi to gift mame $500 e buy TikTok mame $78 enti bisa ho say scanner sa 20% and then e buy am credit sa 78 me to credit wom me to band wom bando me ye 399 me ye 399 pe aka me sen scanner san aka me 200 cedis pe. You understand? I see.
And ahina you can say omo ya advert mom they will fly out 2 videos. People charge 50 cedis, maybe 200 cedis, and it's not enough. And to you influencer ejuma ben ska ben ahina unya yeah na me here calculations one na man for atiase. And so be catch also your influencer, you should know where the person is coming from.
Okay.
Now talkers. Young girl. And this hook up asemi ayekin enye man kwa sisi adani business and mema so ye de ewom.
Hey,
yes.
Mema no so ye bi.
Mema ye hook up na say na met life bi so. And na guy ba who full top e can say oye hook up a night or g 2,000 cedis who pay full time or just 3,000 and no cry it comes with extra services. Yes, extra services and the extra services in there.
No, but
I see them.
I see.
Yes,
but
and Hitman, it's something that is happening, and yem penny for no ama I didn't look it too as I done a drummer because of Felisa who young boy on who date who are hen man who man and he be.
I know company so moon to attacks.
Amun to attacks. There be now to attack no one sound to attacks.
You man ye illegal.
Me ba to hook up na ye can I sound no my brand na ye hook up. But we na kwese say we no wabo suit and tie na utu fie na ya frel na waba we room service house to house we unyina kwa ho
ne short ne say so obi te mokole dwam obi te bush market e ton ade na obi nso te air condition wabo tie
na wabo tie
difference ne
na adwuma ma say obi ton tomatoes wo kwa na factory ni mo me ye tin tomatoes difference
and ade ba ko e ho ne say e ma ya dodo na o mo yesa no awade o ne ton kwanta o ma pa
debi no de awale ye den na on cost can so no
business no o ha no
business no wale na wa no o for full time relationship wa ha no.
Okay,
yes,
right, mate adopa ye din komo 059340 6565 0534 050 199 and komo adopa ye die eno. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Patrick Frosay.
No, friend, I look at you like a dance here, to promise.
Mami ti wanna pay.
Hitman, if you say, job we are okay. What would you say? Can or what you here?
I know the feelings na abana wo pese otu eska.
I don't think we the first can go around maybe na ka wo the to see na ocean and ka emwa.
And also your point pa.
I say there. One first can go share a janka wo hospital to the dia na ya awon chiro.
Okay. Right, mate me da say. Good morning. Hello. There be here for 059340 6565 0534 050 199 and open koma ye no. Good morning.
Good morning, Kwamra.
Auntie Maggie.
Oh, Kwamra.
My
wife.
Mama, that's
yes, I'm many coffee kind. I am no correct. Your man is say, I am not your measure. My wife says, no more boss abrea. When you pay the animal saying, a bedroom baby, I will pick air power and ma. Na fe o bobe o maame ana o na na bi osi ho na wo bone sobo adwuma ni ho se ne same kan ni nyina ye no kore adwuma wo ho na nkwala nya bia ya sa bra babone ni nyina won be jai enanya won ko na ayo ememu wo ane nso bi dia yo won adwuma ye bu won to bu mu enti ano so ya mo nka ho asem
okay
na awure ho my Ghana mu se ye mpanifo ne nwi ye mabone ho da bia me ka so ma bia ebetumpa eye moda atia ni daso emebun na mode won da chichiri kuro no na mo se no na mako enkwale so na ye bu won to gumu a eye hu kapu eno so so emu ine no adwuma ni ho nti enkwale eton won ho sa nyame hu my Ghana mo bo mo ni nyame nya
Auntie Maggie Nyankopon enka won so ho no pay. Good morning.
Good morning, brother.
Me ba chef Frosay.
I just Mavis,
Mavis, my minty wanna pay.
Jacob, now I have some more. Say the Ghana, dear. Jacob, I'm Colano, Omagasano, Omasro, almost started JHS. A crack, to me, shot here. They are finance motos. They did not and open it naba. Yes, I don't know. I had your ma starting years or doing university cried on my bomb degree. And Colanca think it on more JHS. And I'm a no cry, omuye, omanya sugar mammy. No mako, ako that sugar mammy no. No, Mamuska, no jaba. Akoba. They are shiny, ya. That ye my young lady. Oh, I didn't have a baby.
But take me that's a papa. Good morning.
Good morning, Nero.
Me ba your rivals and I pay what boom to say.
Yamia to mo now, so
Yamia do me as your papa.
Edi kan me bomo abaso. Na ni right na ni range Rebecca. Omana ya team no e fa ya hotere. Maybe me catch about hostel fee. Ohia ni ba. Okutua be 200 million. Na edini fa. Odi ahomti be ye. Me nkase eye. Ye penny for ade abua won na won pese won de be bo nchiri. Nan was Sama Hamacham a bedroom. Sister the premise. Damn Pacho. Me crying alcohol. Main route, yes, for school Jensen. This is for free also, Fiacra. That the man Sanchez. Miss One said, Bema, said, when you more, no, by die. One could you point. San Omuya no Mukunkum, Ufra Kraton. Area, how unim ha. Me chileno. Na me too manful. That Hitman, a dear beer who queen him or Ubunku to do. Sabi when him sex, so person we any year, Ubunku to do. Unyamia Shram. No, I didn't mamma almost the Anayaka. So Yakupon Eddie Gage, at to binum the one. Ka awalebe diame binum. The binum say one who's we are not a Okofanwa, not atete. Tonight, my young Kwala, who are near baby back. Yes, I do. I did you one year parents in a Tomama. They will question you. And that my one fast at a private camp. I will mammy himself Kolanico school, Papa himself Banico school. Or the best in I am of it. Most son.
Right. Right. All right, man. See, that's Papa. Thank you so much for calling. Good morning.
Good morning, boss. Now, happen today.
Me pa show me who your Papa. Your friend say.
Ochre Aguna in.
Ochre mami to you. Ochre mami to you on pay.
Why? Na kakra me pese me kan say. Inyo me kosi me hwase asese no. Mo frani binom o share 12 years. Ni maami wo fie ni papa wo fie. Office school phone 12 years old. About time woman one kasa. Abofra kete bituma ato antare impodwe bi abofra okobe GHS. Ye maami bisa ni se unyi sika wohi ekokotoi. In kan kap den kwasi na bi nya fumba mpodi ye de eya na ye ndi area we say obata na mpodi sika wonde ba na onye djuma ni nchen. Ti abofra si nya miampa no bi be fa ne so ne kwankran on kire djuma oye. No di ko ya sadi mo wofa e dem pa na abeya bitumi na ubema onye esre de di ne bedum bibia awale hu na hu be din ni se di na be ni ya no gon iti esre e ban sa na sofu ni hu amane na sofu so nka no kren kire won wo de be se be no yo inyom e koso no de social media de abese papa
Mateme da say Ochre Aguna Inkum. Good morning. Hello. Well, too bad went to me engine. So 0593406565 0534 and up in Koma you know one so what and they say good morning.
Good morning.
Patch your frost say.
Let the copy refreshing man.
Copy my meet you on a pay.
Yeah. How phone can be? How phone can? Is it what you want to call it? At the Russian. Bra. Ne mame no hu obisa no hwe. De na bofebi ase we we school. SS this year. Wa mana ko tra da man chen. Se be man na boa e na wo sha wo no SS. Be man se police. It was onye ni classmate police ni a. Obisa phone ne be be. Aba no ko si ba dia. E ja wo phone so ka bi. Young friend, money is wrong for the beginning of funny. Let's say, young friend, money is question. I can do away now. The Sabria, when you scream, we are particularly let's go to the
right, Mate, Medase, Papa. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Hitman.
Maybe I show wouldn't be a case free.
Hitman, my boy, Juma. Now, there we are, course, Papa, our bed, dear. Domiha crossing credit because when I only confirm and I'm not true. I bet you what I said there's no inquest. You go on your day. When you like us, or mind that. And I'm most now in Nigeria for now. If I get class or back Ghana, the year Juma or that banner. No, don't say Juma will not have the year. If I now force the son that Robert Drew, no, I touch the Juma will now there. They are many Uberman in share woman. It's man.
Nyankopon enka won so ho anapay. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Me ba cho offer your teshi ubreni yankwai.
Yeah. Yeah, Shatra na de sad naba. This is democracy.
se Ghana have biara ufa sadi no wo ho adi nti na ba sa be me nwa akura so Obia besi atumi di ni foni beto TikTok se opekunu we den na be wiase
or your advert no wo ye
awurade hu ye mobo wo suatra and it is sad na ba na
right what for attention that say good morning
brother
Bachelor Frosting
Diana Tommy Obia come na bebutu
Tommy mami ti wanna pay
on say our phone and then reduce just leaders now no maybe on ma omuntimi encounter on say responsibility ni bi on ma nke ya said e by intimi nye hwese obi wo so ohia mu aketu abi o ka che omukura omunyama no nti omuntimi nka awofo no nso responsibility na ya said e intimi nye nti no se akra ne ko no mabi nkura enya yentimi nka nkyere no na adentina emaya omoye stadi omatwen omodaache omatwen yare bebre atu atese nyina frisa yi ukabia o ena desa esini ade no ama akoso ena mede misusu se Nigeria fo no so ka ho bi omo ena amaye ma no bebre first no do na wo ho party na nye komo be say die ba bia be fa bia e wo
right
no ye ni ama no omo ntu omo hofo Nembo muskania obesan de asan ho yare da.
Ma teme da se papa. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Me pa che frosting.
Hitman chat.
Mami ti wanna pay.
Hitman, mami sham na eduma pa mo bo. Bia me ka so ma na akuma swade e wo mo ho pa chese nyama mo chechre de yankopon ka mo ho na onye mo so akuma swade ma o se de mo pe o ma ga na yi no. Omama busia so ntumpo nkonkan Hitman de ye nyina batan ye ne yedimo akote kase because want to ba no first heart to be abone am na se okote bia enyema ekobesi wa wusuo okofa yale ba se yale no wo na wa kofa ba wufie nti abata esre ma ye nimko ye ma ho ne ntiti omuye so bi bia kura ya no wunim se watete ba yi a se wunim se onko yesa ne ma no niama ekoye nyina de yale no how ba no e baba abada ya asunti abata yesre yentu ana mo ne nteke nkola no na omuye ya nya aso do mo de ba hwe Hitman ya min shamu ne ma pa de bia mo bo ma e da
ba te that's very final caller na fa no pay yem fancy good morning hello good morning
good morning
Bachelor Frosting
do de ba oni pa do tama
do mami ti wanna pay
ipacha o Hitman and quite wo e betima stop in issue we be say
do meet you what dey call asam so
and I me say e quite wo e betima stop in issue no
as we speak now the ekwan bi ani ho
it's up to you chairman that's it
you do that's papa so won so watumi afra na pay a won so de wadwenche e de aba anapa nkoma ye bono the rise of hookup e wo Ghana hanom kodo o se ekwan bi wa betumi dia sto fa microphone ye braso na ye sorry so na ye the callers na si producer say ye fancy sense dwuma die foforo ho enti kodo fa mic na fi mintu ekwan be na wo ho no ma de besi ade ho
black bransa e be so ni ni kan ye na chiefo na se so de na me kan me recommendations recommendations ne ye nyama e be fa so na kwan be fa so bitumi aboa na sa o ha we ne yesi ano kwan ene ni bi ni economic empowerment say ye mofra no ye bekyekere wo mo de yesi ohyansa ne dwuma ye kyekere no no anya ne dwetire obetumi de aye adwuma
right
say e ya ho kyere nti na wo ye obeyi ne ho afiri mu and then eno no kyene aban be biebie nwuma na nkwankro mo wesika be biebie nwuma na o mafa amanfo adwuma so owo aho kyere nti na wo ye saa onya adwuma no ya obejai and then enkyekere say yetumi ekwa nkyekere wo schools ahodom insoro man nkyekere no tumi mofra na no mo hunu hunsunsanso bone de bebre o mabrabo e wona sa na muntu na e be discourage wo mo nti eno so betumi abo ma mo atumi atwem ho afiri mu ene na busunya ya fie mu ejanom enanom o mo wasede ye so o mo ye mofra no be se o mo se firi efie penisi sebe enam na be pra e hia se firi niti nti hu be nyia se busunya no betumi strengthen e family mentorship no mo ne mofra na di nkomo obi kura ho no ma ne baba one ne kasa ye kura wa ko bana over be yi ni one ne nkomo da obi odi ne bas ekokoto school ma de akora no be fro be ka so gisika ne pe ne wonim owi on fre ne bisan se de akora na ekoso oba fie nsu a tema ofre ne pe na obeda wanka hwe nkyere no be bi onya ne sika mfa no ho we nyina ne ma ahodo a eka ho ma ne ma we ekosoro and then responsible media use media no yen sentwerafo di ho fo and then abɛ fo 10,000 so no sempinifo nyehye pa ebeboa ne ma ahodo ehu hia ye promote no ye gyae a oha we ebekɔ fom enti ne ma pii na wo ho no ma ebetimi ade si ho kwanti se ne yebesere se omo ka biewum enyina mmoa ne yenyina nyem mmode ama nkyerɛkyerɛ ne yemmo ne yehu sunsuanso bɔne oha we ne beba wo man ene mofra nankasa eso yehunu ne sa wi a ebedu baabi no bra kwa behu se sa etu antwa kra na toto na bɛyɛ den ebetwe omo ho ayɛ den efru ntie nyina yemmoa ne enuanom makɔ wura tebia ne mu no sa wo so de na honhom bi na etata wa mmode ana bɔ mpa ne frim because wo daache in fact one hwe ne ya ebese obi bia me so so mi fa wo dem madehye banu na me nkokra enti mesra boss na hwe we ni soma me na me wofa se for banu edo ma wo da wo de edi kan ekode ma me wofa se ne dinde Messi na Messi ewo kunsu na oga nana na free Richard omo kyerem se ne omo wehye wona made nyina sister Messi omo awoda pa enkwa tenten onyiri kyere na abusuane nyina esre etiama happy birthday to you Messi awo kunsu yami kyere opinu awoda no onye ne sono kokra pomuden ene yidie na abusuane nyina esre etiama ne kwakra no ekọ ediama Madam Dorcas na oye FIFA ref FIFA referee ene oye no sanso ye obi a obadwumaden ye pa sanso oye chichire ni teacher na ne Nyankopon ede afa ba kon ede aka ne mfia hom nti abusuane nyina we senese Nyankopon ma na pomuden no omma ne bibia nya dwodwo na afi nso nkunimdie ne Nyankopon ma kwampa kese enkoso enfantwen na brabon bibia enye dwodwo mfama no nti ye man ye nua ba ya de nyina Madam Dorcas FIFA referee ono kura ye nso oye chichire ni ye ma happy birthday. May the Almighty God bless your new age with good health, divine favor, greater success, and many more years of joy. Yamin shiro pinu awodano. Onyena son kokura. Mr. Pyros Emisa. No, si yemfa oda sunku we no. Yemfa Madam Dorcas.
Yo, kofi fa mic na yeko quick one.
Hitman yeko na yebesere mame fo ne parent ni nyina mame fo ne papa fo ni awofo ni nyina. Omo ne omo mane nya kasa kire na omo hu ni hiom na am so as a government and so nyana femu die because we nyina ye ken nyina ye peer pressure ene ahokyere what you say peer pressure ne ahokyere na saa yensi ano kwan a ede yare ye beba yale ne de bi wo ho na ebia you might not know na wo wakwa kote yes ekoba idie yenye ndidie nko ade ebedidi enti no wanye careful na wanye careful dia obetimi ade akwakote and o life betimi ande so short amount because young for na omo involve omo it's very bad. Hitman ye ku na me de happy birthday kese pa be kwa ma look sharp Nyankopon nye ne kese
look sharp
look sharp me ka look sharp I will be happy fi se be ma boy oba yes
oba look sharp
I yes see Nyankopon nye ne kese na onyi ni mfra dum nko adum o ama no ne
okay
o ama no ne yes o support ye ma me odobro ni pa any Lumba super ne de jai say o deni say o deni Nyankopon nye ne kese na Hitman this month na last year ye shire ye papa na ni aoye no se samampate ase paade a ni oye no nkoso an na onhira yen na onyi mfiri adum nko adum ne Nyankopon so fa ne kransie yi na senyo oye ne ne ama wo huhum wi ase no Nyankopon tunu
I know some penny for what she ya the baba to
and 1 year celebration no so there ye twen
sempeni for
ye twen sempeni for e de ba betudwa odo Calvin aba abe confirm ya kire say ye be 1 year celebration and
but we as a station DLFM so no I know say sempeni for so better to ma na yenso ya bibi 1 year no so we are looking forward say ye better sempeni for na there was here the two akwa mu bia no
me nya pa ka 1 year no ye nya
yeah famisi but kofi ne kodo bibi kese pa eba besi wotema wotema ai
ya
tema haya krumpap na nyame adom ochina be de honkomo beba bibi kese pa ba wa besi wotema enya sam ketwa nti honkomo no ebeba why
ever see this year na
this year bibi kese da bi nyame adom September na ya de kese a ebi nsi tema da sa eba besi wotema nti ho komo no
o be lanche onwom no wo ha na
anya menwom na me lanche we dia chenwom lanche
ani sai musician
sa no tuma de nyina
wajuma do so da
anti no bibi kese pa e ba so e water macron pub we should watch out. Well, answer na mekono, let me say a happy birthday and come Lady Talata. Ghana nyum tuni kese pa ene owo America. So happy birthday and come me ankasa me ma Lady Talata na pay me ma happy birthday and that's what Obia team no e ma Lady Talata happy birthday nyankopon show wondo momwa wanya okese one man kwatenten na fi wonko so a emo ho ba. Well, thank you so much for being part of the show. The very good act of being a good guest is to know when to say goodbye. So like I say, and come executive producer in Shraba Kwadwo Samebi Ora Samuel Kwadwo Akwazigi bi ene ne din Bismarck Edusa na pay e de agodie mu nsam e baaye DJ Mario e support ye Michael se Okocha e mai friend if you wura papa yi anadwe nyina wanda ahomachia me bai Okocha nso aboa papa pa. From Hitman, good morning and enjoy the rest of our programs. Miko.